get my outro music, or my intro music. Starting the stream. That's what I need to say. God. Stream is live. I just need to post it in Discord. Perfect. Okay. No stress whatsoever. Absolutely no stress. Copy this link address. Live streams. Send this message. Alrighty. No pressure. Make sure that I am doing this correctly. I'm gonna wait for people to get in here. With getting out of Unity on this one. By the way, we have a guest on the call here if you like to talk a little bit. I don't know.
Good day.
Good day. You can type in chat to reveal your true identity. This part. What's up, Augie? I need to record an intro for this, so I'm going to do that. Dindleby, potato in the trash can. Godot learning stream. That's what this is, chat. That is what this is. My camera's low battery. Alrighty, boys. Sorry, I was just doing some stuff here. I think I'm still dropping frames. What the heck? Please. Please don't lag. Not now. Not now. Not now. Why am I lagging? Okay. Back in the green. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I forgot to. I forgot to put on my face cam. Give me a sec. This is not a scuff stream, chat. This is not a scuff stream. I repeat, this is not a scuff stream. There I am! Let's go! You guys saw none of that. So yeah, this is gonna be a Godot learning stream, and today I have some special guests with me. Let's check them out. Let me lower the music here. I have some special guests with me, so... Alrighty. So, if you can introduce yourself. Alright, I guess he's muted right now. But basically, Lazy Alarm, everybody subscribe to Lazy Alarm. He'll help me make stuff for the game. So if you can talk real quick.
I cannot.
Damn, that's tough. Anyways, I'm gonna try to do this. Oh my god, okay. Here. There we go. This is a really weird setup, but basically, I stopped streaming here. Okay. I made my description. Oh, all right. So we got me and Lazy Alarm right over here. I do this in a way where I don't show DMs. Screw it, I'll show DMs. So, Lazy, what is my first challenge?
Your first challenge is still learning Godot. I think you should learn about that.
Node instancing. What the heck? Okay, so I'll give it a little more context for you guys. Basically, I asked Lazy Alarm and possibly Axolotl to make some challenges for me so that I can get better at Godot. This first thing is called node instancing. What the heck? What? I don't know. What is a node instancing? All right, we gotta make a gun/cannon that points at the cursor and fires projectiles. Got it. So I'm gonna set that in my tasks here. Lazy Alarm, if you do have to leave, since you told me off stream that you might have to go soon, you can dip, but...
I do.
Alright, see you, man. Might DM you for some stuff here. But, regardless... Thank you, Lazy Alarm. Node instance.
Good luck with your journey.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Alrighty. Dude, this feels like I'm in school right now, and I'm not in school right now, but it feels like I'm in school. Oh, I've dropped frames. Never mind. Lag. I'm lagging right now, aren't I? Oh. Alright, cool. Alrighty, boys. Friends to make challenges. So, node instancing, huh? I'm going to change my current task here to node instancing. I don't know how to do that. How do I do that? We'll just figure it out later. Okay. Here. Yes. Here we go. Okay. Node instancing cannon. That's what we're doing right now. Let me turn up my sanity bar. Lazy Alarm or Lazy Man? His name is indeed Lazy Alarm. I am all by myself here. Here we go. We're going to make node instancing here. I don't know what the heck that is. So I'm gonna first separate my thing here. Super Doo Doo Bros. Separate. Okay, there's a bunch of errors there. We're gonna ignore those errors. Okay. Here we go. Your channel's awesome. Thank you, Felix Place. How long will the stream be? I'm hoping it'll last a while. And just to add a little more stakes here, we're gonna make the stream last an hour. So, node instancing for an hour. Here we go. Let's start off by creating a new folder here. Node instancing cannon. Now, before any of this, I have no idea what the heck a node instancing is. So, I guess we're gonna figure that out. Let's start off by just going in Godot here. Godot node instancing. Will you release this project to us so we can experience your new beginning? I'm not sure, Augie. If I make it like a game, I might, but let's see here. Node and scene instances, right over here. Let me turn down the brightness real quick of my monitor because it's like brighter than the sun. So it says over here that node and scene instances, getting nodes. Okay. Getting nodes. You can reference a node by calling the node.getNode method. For this to work, the child node must be present in the scene tree. He said, am I lagging again? Oh my god. Yo, Chroma! Oh my gosh. Alright, sorry about that. Once again, it lagged. You guys are just gonna have to deal with lag from now on. Unfortunately, my internet, we had to change it out and it's not that good. Anyways, thank you so much, Chroma Eclipse, for the $1. I'm gonna add you over here. Thank you. Oh, I messed up. Hold up. And most recent donator, Chroma Eclipse. Thank you so much, man. That support means the world to me. It shows that you guys care about what I do. And you are a Prod gamer. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. So, let's get back on the track. What? Nodes and scene instances. You can get a reference to a node by calling the node.getNode thing here. You can use the following code. Note that you get nodes using their name, not their type. Okay, sprite 2D and camera 2D. When getting a reference to a node, you're not limited to getting a direct child. The getNode function. Okay. So it says here, all it says, oh, never mind. I have, Lazy Alarm sent me the actual thing. Okay. Oh, okay, it is this thing. So looks like we need to learn about, oh my god, lag again. I'm lagging. Man, why am I lagging so much? Alright, whatever. Sorry guys, dude, my internet right now is absolute trash. Okay. Play a better song than this dramatic song? No, we're playing this song, Potato. Alright. What a chance. Alright, so. Looks like this is all about node instancing here. Getting nodes. You can get a reference to a node by calling the node.getNode method. For this to work, the child node must be present in the scene tree. For example, you have a scene tree like this. You want to get a reference to the sprite 2D, blah, blah, blah. Use the following code. You can get nodes using their name. Yada, yada, yada. If you rename the sprite 2D skin in the scene doc. Let's see here. Researching. We're researching. Should I join your Discord? Go ahead. Go ahead, Greenball. You're fine for me, yeah. What the heck? Excuse me? Syntactic sugar. What is syntactic sugar? Excuse me? What? Alright, well, you know what? We don't question it, chat. We don't question it. Instancing scenes. Let's see here. Advantage of this two-step process, you could engine free the node. Oh, God, stop. Why am I lagging so much, dude? Alright. Give me a second, chat. Come on. Hi, man. Can you guys hear me? Sorry, can you guys hear me? I don't know. I think it's lagging like really heavily right now. Okay, I think finally it just got there. I'm gonna lower my bitrate. Sorry guys, this is the streaming experience, you know? It's sucks, but yeah, we're just gonna have to go with the flow here. I'm gonna lower my bitrate. Hopefully that happens. Alright, anyways. We were at syntactic sugar. I don't know what this is. You can use two shorthands. I don't know what $/ okay, whatever. You know what? Whatever. Creating node. So to create a node, it's called new. So it looks like node instancing. It's just getting and creating nodes, basically. IDMD, what syntactic sugars is on Discord? Oh, I have a lot of Discord DMs, chair. Alrighty. So hopefully this works well. So getting a reference to a node, you're not limited to getting a direct child. The get node function supports paths. Bit like working with a file browser. I have no idea what this is. Syntactic sugar. Create a node from code. Called its new method. Okay, so it looks like this is broken down the new paths. So here. Okay. Oh, so syntactic sugar is just making it look fancier. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna skip that for now. Creating nodes. Or calling sprite2d.keys. Okay. So it's basically creating new nodes and stuff. Alright. I'm gonna just start by trying to create a cannon. I looked up what syntactic sugar is. It's awesome. It's awesome. So let's see. Basically, we have a gun cannon that points at the cursor and fires projectiles. That's what we're gonna make here. Why am I lagging, dude? Oh my gosh. Alright. $2 get better internet now. Thank you, 𝗠𝗨𝗦𝗜𝗖. I don't know why, bro. This didn't happen in my other live streams, bro. The one time, man. One time I have a decent idea, but that's streaming for you. Alright, let's go level here. Node instancing cannon. We're gonna start by creating a new scene here. And we're gonna call you... Thank you, 𝗠𝗨𝗦𝗜𝗖, once again with the $2. So much, bro. Alright. We're gonna create a new scene here. We're gonna call you... Actually, yeah, we're gonna call you Cannon. Scene name is gonna be Cannon. Cannon.tscene. We're actually gonna close all you guys out. Alright, we don't need you guys. 2D. So what is this set at right now? We got transform, position, X, Y, or 0. Oh. Trying to figure out, I feel like something is wrong with the sound. Hello? Is there something wrong with the sound? I'm sorry guys, this is the most scuffed thing in the world right now. Is my sound okay? I'm just gonna hope it's okay. How is it going with Go? Going pretty good right now. Going pretty good. I'm gonna hope my sound's okay, guys. Okay, cool. So, what I'm thinking here, we need to create a cannon, right? We need to go, I'm gonna pull up my trusty MS Paint tool. We need to create a cannon that's like this. Probably something just like this. Pew, 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 blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Okay, that's like kind of sus. But basically, we need to create a cannon. I'm thinking we can go, maybe I can replace this node here. Put on some Doom music. I'm bopping to the C418 music right now. Chroma Clips. Or Bionicle, sorry. Let's see. We have a node 2D right now. Can I replace this guy? Can I not replace this guy? How do I replace the node? I guess it's just a regular node 2D. Can I delete this? Okay, here. Other node. We need a... You are underrated. Thank you, EN boys. UVC. Oh, actually, yeah. You guys can help me. You guys can help me with stuff here, can you? Okay, I'm VCing, guys. Boys, join chat. Join this, alright? Join my Discord server. Help me do this, alright? Please help me. I need help. Alright, I VC'd. You guys can VC if you want. Alright, we just have like a billion people here.
Hey, Juju.
What's up, Augie? Alright. I hate everything. I actually hate everything. Alright, wait, no, okay, maybe VCing was a bad idea. Maybe VCing was a bad idea. I'm gonna leave the VC right now. Okay, let me figure this out on my own first. So I'm thinking we need to create a sprite 2D, a character controller 2D. Let's do a sprite 2D. Go here, create. We're gonna need to make a cannon sprite. That's what we're gonna need to make. So I'm gonna go into Photoshop. Come on, Photoshop. Why can't I not open up Photoshop? Photoshop. What's up? Right click, change type. Yeah, that's what I... Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm blind. Sorry, I'm so blind. What's wrong, Juju? Is there anything wrong with the sound, guys? I might, I don't know. I don't know if there's anything wrong with the sound right now. I'm gonna join Def. Alright, let's start off by creating... Oh yeah, Lazy, can you... Okay, never mind. I'm not going into VC right now. Oh my gosh, bro. Stop lagging. I'm gonna have to drop my kbps, aren't I? Alright, I'm dropping this guy. Output. Sorry about that. Stream is just laggy. Let's go. I hope there's nothing wrong with the sound. Thank you, Potato. We need to create a cannon. We need to create a cannon sprite. I'm gonna go into Photoshop here. I'm gonna go 8x8. 8x8 here. Lazy, can you import Photoshop into called Photoshop to Godot and have it like update automatically? I don't know if that's a thing that's possible. Let's start off cannon. We need to create a cannon. Pencil tool. Oops. Pencil tool. Oops. What is this? Why can I not? Come on, what? Oh, that is how, okay, whatever. We need to create a cannon. I'm gonna create an 8x8 cannon here. Let's go kind of like this. I see you having sound lag. Am I having sound lag? Alright, whatever. You can import Photoshop to Godot? That is awesome. Alright. I'm trying to figure out, let's make a cannon here. Let's go like, kind of like this maybe. Oops. Pencil. all the way down there. We go like here. Does it look like a cannon, chat? I have no idea. Height 16. No. Image, canvas size, at 12. Seed. Does this look like a cannon? I mean, am I cooking or am I not cooking? Let's be real here. Kind of like this, like a teardrop almost. This is gonna be our cannon. Here we go, boys. We're popping off. We're popping off, boys. FF. Let's go make a yellow color here. Is this how cannons usually look like? I'm gonna get a reference image. Circus cannon pixel art. Let's go over here. Trying to get some good references of a cannon. Or specifically like a circus cannon. I should not be spending time on this. I should be spending time trying to make this work. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make most of this red. Oops. I feel bad for Lazy right now because it's like he made this awesome challenge and I'm just trying to make a freaking cannon. Alright, red. Let's do something like this here. This is gonna be our cannon. Gonna look something like this here. And then blue. What's blue again? FF. Exactly that. Blue. RGB 000 FF. Good enough. You know what? Good enough for a cannon. Good enough for me. Man, I might make this like light gray. Alright. Do this. It looks like a freaking egg. Whatever. You know what? This is a cannon, guys. You just gotta really squint hard, alright? This is a cannon. You know, this is a cannon. This is a cannon. Alright? This is nothing but a cannon. All this is a cannon. Oh, man. Okay. Let's create a new folder for sprites. Let's go... this. Open that guy so I can actually save this cannon. Cannon.psd. Alright, so I'm gonna go in Godot here. Cannon. There we go. No. That's the thing. I tried importing my sprite here. For some reason, I can't actually see it. Why can't I see my cannon? I put it in my folder here. It's weird. I put a PSD in my folder. Does this not work? I have to shake. Yeah, it does, 𝗠𝗨𝗦𝗜𝗖. Shh. Alright, it is a cannon. How will this cannon work? It's gonna shoot projectiles. Sorry, that had a bit of lag there. Let's go. Why can't I see my cannon? Oh, my cannon. Can't see my cannon. With texture. Do it. Texture. New canvas texture. Viewport texture. My bad. Okay, wait. What am I doing here? I think I just could drag it in. I like the stream. It's meant to show up. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, so right now, what I have... Can you guys hear me? Okay. What I have right now is... right here, in my note, in my sprites folder, I have a cannon. Do I have to just drag it in like this? Unable to write... lacking permissions? Huh. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna export it. That's a bit strange. We're just gonna export our Canon sprite for now. I can't exactly get it to import cleanly to Godot. So we're just gonna do this. Now we have a Canon. We're gonna put you like here. Okay, we can just drag in this texture. This looks absolutely horrendous. Holy crap. And then I found out that we want to make this nearest so that this filtering thing looks better. And then let's set the scale of this cannon to a bit smaller, I think. Actually, if I go run the scene, you're gonna be in the top corner. So we're gonna make you, this is our box here, 1280 divided by 2 and 720 by 2. Okay, so now our cannon over here, we need to scale you up though. So let's go scale 20 maybe? 20 looks like a pretty good scale in my opinion. There we go. Now the next thing we need to do is upgrade to Ultra Pro Max 4K. True 2D pixel art mode, everything snaps. I think so, PDB. I think that is true. Right, looks cool. Just pretend it's a cannon, alright? I'm not the best at creating art, alright? So now we need actual like balls, you know? We need the cannon balls. So let's go 8x8. I'm actually gonna go image, canvas size 4x4. Ooh. We're gonna go here and just do that. I'm gonna export this as a cannonball. Cannon ball, doing this off camera, and right over here. So now we have our cannonball sprite. And now we should be able to fling this guy like pew pew, or we can rotate this guy. What is the rotate button again? This. Rotate this guy, and our cannonball is gonna go pew, or like pew. You guys see what you guys get what I'm picking down? I don't know what I just said, but cannon. Okay, first step is a go. Next thing, we need to make the camera rotate towards the play. God, I just said cannonball, alright? You guys, I said cannonball. Shush, alright? Shh. All I said was cannonball. Okay, we need to make how do we make this guy rotate towards the player? That is the next question that I do not know the answer to. Give me a sec, I just want to make sure that... How do I make this guy rotate? Well, let's see here. We add a script, first of all, first and foremost. Let's create you. We want it to extend sprite 2D. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna create a new folder here. I'm just gonna call it. And that won't for now. Okay, so we need this guy to rotate towards the cursor, right? Or the actually don't. Okay, I'm not gonna look at chat for this. I want you guys to tell me here. I want to try to figure it out on my own. Okay, I'll try to figure it out on my own. So I'm probably gonna fail horribly, but that's the fun of it. So I'm gonna assume that we need to get this rotation guy, right? Get this rotation, do that. One thing that I do realize here is that I wish... Can I set the pivot of this guy? Like, what if I set the pivot... That's not it. I don't think I... Can I set the pivot of this guy? Can I set... How do you set a pivot of a sprite, chat? Or do I have to create like a new thing? Because right now, if I try to rotate it, I want it to rotate around this bottom here, but it's rotating around the middle. Do you guys know how to do that? Alright. I'm going to... Let's try... How am I gonna do this? I don't even know. Okay, come on. We got a song here. I think I'm gonna replace this type with something different. You change the offset. How do you change the offset? Can I move just the sprite instead of like this whole thing? I don't think I can. How do I do it for my player? Let's see here. For my player, yeah, see, it's a player and then the sprite's here. So I think that's what I gotta do here. So I think instead of this, we're gonna change your type to we're just gonna say node 2D. And then we're gonna add a child node, sprite 2D. Make you the cannon. Cannon. Sprites. No, that's the ball. Cannon. Boom. Okay, so now our cannon here. 640 by 360. Q. Offset X. Okay. Huh. This looks good. I'm thinking I actually change the rotation of this. So if I try to go... There's an offset variable in the sprite. Oh, is there? Oh, Oh. Guys, there's an offset sprite, bro. That's crazy. There's an offset sprite. What? Yeah. There's an offset. That's good to know. Good to know. I gotta readjust my dusty webcam here. Oh my gosh, please work. That's crazy, bro. I would have never figured. Alright, let's go offset the Y then. Oh shoot. Looks like around there. Negative 4.8 pixels. Yep. Looks about exact. So now if I rotate it, would you look at that? It rotates around the bottom, which is what we want. Cool. Nice. I don't think Unity has this offset thing. You have to like create a parent. Nice. Alright. So I think we actually don't have a canon script. Let's add that. Go into our scripts folder. Oh shoot. Canon.gd. Canon. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna assume we're gonna do this in process. The first thing we want to do is get the position of the cursor, right? So let's do a debug print or print debug. Okay, print debug. Cursor. Input dot cursor arrow. Cursor arrow? What's this cursor arrow? Arrow cursor. Dude, this is so nice. Just control clicking to see the documentation, by the way. Thank you, Godot, for that. Arrow cursor, standard default pointing cursor. Okay. Can I do dot position? No. Okay. Oh, was it stream lagging there? Oh, I hope it wasn't. Global mouse position. Thank you, Augie. How do I get the global mouse position? Oh gosh. Okay. How the frick do I get the global mouse position? I'll look it up. Get position of mouse. Alright, mouse and input chords. Get mouse click / unclick at this it. Get _ global _ mouse _ position. Oh, thank you, Augie. There it is. We found it, chat. Thank you, Augie. All right, cool. So now if I do this, as you can see, got it. This is 0, 0. This is 1280 by 720. Nice. Good stuff. All right. We got that now. So get global mouse position is just the mouse position. Now, we need to make it rotate towards the thing. He said there was a point towards thing. In Unity, this was called vector2.lookAt. I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm kind of using chat to cheat here. Point towards... Okay, first of all, can we get a rotate? Where's the rotation? No, but that's only... No, we don't want that. Rotation... Freeze? How do we make this guy point towards the thing, you know? That is what's shown. Pick. Alright, Star says it's look at. Okay. Look at. I saw it for a second. Hold up. Look at. Alright, let's see what this thing does. Rotates the nose of points toward the point, which is expected to use global chords. Okay, thank you guys. Look at get _ global _ mouse position, which is, I think, what Augie. What does this do? I'm in the wrong scene. Wait, how do I get to the right scene? Okay, no, it's here. 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 Okay. I think I understand. Did I start recording my eyes? No. Oh, did I lag? I can also just do play current scene. I'm just gonna do this though, right now. Close. Yeah. Almost. Almost works. What the heck? It looks like it's almost rotated by like 90. So I guess we just plus. Okay, let's try this. At export var rotation offset equals 90. This for big braining. Oh, but then how do I rotate it? I might have to look at chat here. Yeah, I do need to I do need to offset the rotation by 90 degrees, Augie. So I guess this look at function, right? This just rotates the node so it points towards the point, which is expected to use global coordinates. So this look at rotates the node to node the node. I guess we just do this. Rotation. Rotate. Rotation. Offset. Times radiant to degree. No, deg to rad. Here. Try this. Well, remember, this is in degrees. We need this in radians. Expected at least 1, but receive 0. How does rotate work? Applies a rotation to the node, starting from its current rotation. True. True that, true that. What if I just do rotation offset? Huh. That's weird. So if I try to multiply this by 𝗔𝗧𝗧𝗥𝗕𝗨𝗧𝗜𝗢. Oh! I put it as a parameter. That's why. Okay. Do that. Right? Okay. Let's try this. Yeah! There we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking, chat. Oops. Oh, actually... Now we're cooking, chat! Yeah! Oh, I'm lagging. My stream's not cooking, though. You set? Eh, man. Please stop lagging. I beg you. Please. Please. I don't think it's fine, bro. Alright. My kilobytes per second is 36. Please stop lagging. Please stop lagging. Please stop lagging. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Should be good. Should be good. You know what I should do? I should open chat on my freaking YouTube. On my phone. That would be like way smarter. So that I don't have to take up that space. I do that. There we go. Alrighty. Let me real quick play some background music. Spotify. Give me a second, chat. Just making sure the stream doesn't lag again. Sorry for the scuffedness right now. Alright, let's go. Okay, should be good. So we got this guy rotating towards the sing. Pog you in the chat. Let's go. I'm going to make this cannon a bit smaller because it is big chongus right now. It is a big boy. This is crazy, bro. This offset thing was not like this offset thing is not in Unity. How you can offset a sprite like this. That's like such a basic thing you think you should have, but it's just not in Unity, bro. Crazy. I should have this on my iPad, actually. Okay. So let's actually create stuff. No, that's as descriptive. I'll get it right now. We need to create the cannonballs. Bon voyages. I have no idea what you're talking about, so I'll just pretend. Exactly. So, chat, here's what we're gonna do. Here is what we're gonna do here. Cannonball. Yes. Cannonball go brrr. Cannonball go brrr. Brrr. Like that. Just like that. So, looks like I feel like we should create a cannonball node. That's what we should do. And this cannonball node should go forward. This is actually very similar to how you do it in Unity. And they probably instantiate it. So, we're going to go create an entirely new node here. Create new scene. Cannonball. Boom. Cannonball. This cannonball is going to... We're going to make you... change your type to a sprite. 2D. Change. Does cannonball go boomzo? We can try adding like some sounds to it later. For now, we're just trying to make a cannonball. We got this. Texture, we need a sprite. Cannonball. Bam. We're gonna keep you at 0, 0. Make sure to do this. I wish this was by default, but I guess there's probably a way to do that. This is set to 1010. Scale here should be set to 1010 as well. Where are you? 10, 10. Is there a way to like what if I want to keep this at 1? Is there a way to just scale up the sprite without having to scale up the transform? I'm not sure. It's cute. Wee! Oh, that's cool. Unity can't do that. Alright. Let's go to the cannonball script now. Cannonball.gd. So, right over here, I'm just gonna go in ready. We should have a cannonball speed. Or should we have that on the... Nah, let's just have it on here. Cannon, var, cannonball speed. We're gonna set you to like 1200, something pretty high. And then here, all we want to do is position plus equals cannon, or position. Okay, for now we're just gonna do this. I know this isn't gonna work, but I just want to get our cannonball to spawn for now. So cannonball speed times delta. We're gonna do this. If we're lucky, we'll be able to see our cannonball. Coding looks hard. It's hard at first, but it's worth it. Try this. So this should... Okay, that went down. Oh yeah, because down is up, and up is down. I'm too used to frickin' Unity. Alright, let's do that. Okay. Our first step is going to be to spawn the cannonball here, right? We going to spawn the cannonball. How do we spawn the cannonball? Question here. Question in here. I'm still taking coding classes. True chroma eclipse. I've never even tried coding. It hurts my brain. Fair enough. Okay, so I think what we can do here in my cannon script. So this is for rotation. Then we can go if input. Okay, we need to go in here. Project settings, input, map. Let's call this like fire. Primary. Fire underscore primary. Do this. We're gonna add left click. Close you. Okay, how do we get input again? I don't remember. I'm just gonna have to look at player here. Oh, it's all here. That's so freaking helpful, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, this built-in coding system for Godot is actually like really sick, chat. Actually, like, cause I can just like switch like, brrr, you know? Do that. You guys got coding classes. That's awesome. Coding classes definitely can help you learn to code. But I think the best way to learn to code is to just code stuff and fail horribly. Because failing horribly is how you learn the most. I failed horribly for quite a while, but that helped internalize coding for me. And help me get to where I'm at. Okay, input.isActionPressed. That's what's input.isActionPressed. Fire primary. Okay, node. This is where we go to the node instancing here. So we create a new node by creating a new node. That's how. I need to make sure I'm not lagging or anything. Sprite2d.queueFree. Instancing scenes. What? You can. That's cap. Okay. Creating nodes. Sprite2d equals sprite2d.new. Okay, so looks like we call this function here. Create a new sprite2d node, add it as a child. We don't actually want to add it as a child, we just want it to be its own separate thing. So sprite2d equals sprite2d.new. Sprite2d equals sprite2d.new. How did I do it? var sprite, okay, var cannonball equals x.new. You get the info of an instance, turn into a variable, create a new instance of it. I don't know what that means, Augie. What does that mean, bro? I need to get the info of an instance and turn it into a variable to create a new instance of it. I'm just gonna follow what Godot says. That sounds like very smart talk, and I'm not so smart talk, you know? Okay, sprite2d equals sprite2d.new, add child sprite2d. Use getTree.getCurrency and to get the currency. Got it. Thank you, Star. Thank you for all the help, guys. This stuff is really helpful. Like, very, very helpful. Human. Sprite2d.new. Okay, how do I make sure it's not just Sprite2d? I can get node. Can I just do cannonball? You get node. This. Right? I don't know. Maybe. I have no idea what I'm doing. Dot new. Oh. Like that. Maybe. Get node cannonball. That's how you do it? Alright, you know what? We're gonna run it. Screw it. YOLO. Oops. Got an error. Node instancing canning. Attempting to call function new in base on a null instance. What does that mean? Okay. Close you. Huh. Godot engine is not responding, huh? Yeah, I want to change to it. Yeah. Huh. Nope, villager noises. Huh. Cloudy. Okay. I need to drink water, bro. A few minutes. There's no cannonball in the scene. Okay. So it has to be in the scene. Okay. Can I, Does there have to be at least one cannonball? Someone stop my Spotify. Does there have to be at least one cannonball in the scene? Or... Not sure. Yeah, let's just try it. Let's try to add one cannonball in the scene. Oh. Bruh. Bruh. Wah. Wah. Cannonball. Whoa, that's a big boy. Okay. Why is my cannonball so big? Oh, because it's a child of... Oh, my brain. What's the child of that? Oh, and then if I move this... Oh, that's not what we want either. Okay, breaking my brain. I need to create a base node for the clones. Okay, how do I do that? How does one do that? I might actually get in a call of Augie. Best practices, logic preferences. Thank you, Lazy. How does one big brain? Oh, brain. Brain's not working right now, boys. I'm not gonna cap. Okay. You need to, okay. You need to create a base node for the clones. I have a base node right here. Is that not how you do it? Let's just try creating a sprite real quick. But then I guess I won't do anything. Because that'll be an empty sprite. Keep trudging onwards, chat. You guys know about GDScript? All right, I'm gonna join a VC. Hopefully this doesn't go terribly. Here we go. Joining chat 1.
I can't do it.
Alrighty.
What do you mean?
Anybody?
Can
Anybody help me here?
What?
Okay, what is it?
With what, man? I don't know how to help people.
All right,
So many people are here.
I'm moving.
I still haven't.
Can any of you? I may need some assistance.
All right.
I'm moving to chat 3. Guys, I need your help. I may need some assistance. Okay, who is this man? They're only showing up a C on my screen because I have streamer mode on. Oh my gosh. That fell. This is...
Alright, can I finally explain it?
Nobody.
We're gonna try. We're gonna try our best. All right, Augie. Here we go. We're gonna get help from the Godot people, the Godowers. Is that how you guys? Is that how you call your people, Godowers?
I am not. I'm still pretty new to Godot, but I do know a lot of stuff. So I'm pretty sure you have to create a cannonball.
I did.
The cannonball is in the scene, yes.
Or I
So,
guess it's in a different node. But do I have to put it like in the scene? Cause like, what if I don't want to have a cannonball to start? Like, I want that. Big.
Well, it's you have to somehow code it so it knows if it is a clone and clone not. And I'm pretty sure you can do that.
Okay, so how would that work? So like,
Wait a second, let me think for a second.
because what I'm trying to do right now, I'm just trying to create a new instance of this cannon variable. I want the bullet to cannon.
Yes.
Easy. How to instantiate.
Wait.
Trying to use this guy as a guide. Sprite2D equals sprite2d.new add child. Sprite2D.
Hello.
Hello. Could you pause? Could you provide some assistance?
E
Trying to think. Gonna keep looking at the documentation here.
I'm gonna show you a code that I had in the game that I tried to program. I don't know if you would understand it, but I'm pretty sure you would be able to understand it. I changed the bullet to bullet and path.
Oh wait. Okay.
Hello.
Is bullet equals bullet dot instance. Oh, dot
Yeah,
instance.
you
Okay.
need to reference.
Okay.
You need to reference the.
Got it.
You need
okay.
to reference the bullet in the scene.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay, so sorry if there's like any background noise. I am.
Yeah, but what if it's not like? What if I don't want a bullet in the scene? Like in the
You
cannon.
can just hide the bullet, and
Yeah,
then,
but I feel like
when
that
it,
would be
when it
kinda
gets when a
messy.
new one gets
I
created,
mean,
it will show itself.
You can just free it. Like you can.
Yeah,
just
yeah,
free
you can
which is
free it.
Basically, just deleting it.
Cannon.
Yeah, you just need to reference it once and then free it from the scene.
Okay, bullet
Reference
equals
it, and
preload.
then with that reference, you can use whatever you want.
Okay, so we're saying preload here.
What?
Preload.
Let me just go to the.
Ah, okay, that's how you do it. It's called preload. And then it would be cannonball script or cannonball node dot. Can I just create a new one? Just like that?
Oh no. Oh wait. Juju. Something I should clear out before you do anything is that the thing you're preloading, you need to add a start on ready. Like you put like export
Yeah.
on ready. If it's not gonna work for some reason.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that went completely over my head, but I do have possibly Axolotl that's here to help. This is crazy. We have so many people in this video. Gosh. Alright, I'm gonna get
Yeah,
private
the
help.
un-
Thank you
the-
guys so much for trying to help. I'm gonna get private help though. Thank y'all. Alright, I'm a bit. Peace. Calling possibly Axolotl. Hello.
Hey.
Hello, good sir. I need some assistance. I'm trying to spawn a cannonball, but the ball of the cannon is not cannonballing, you know?
Sure.
Okay, so basically...
Okay.
Okay, so what I have here, I have... Okay, I'm gonna comment this out real quick. Is there a way to, like, comment multiple lines at once?
If you select all the lines and press Control K, then it should.
Control K,
comment all
that's
of them.
what it is, thank you.
Yep.
Oh, and then I just add them. Okay, cool. So, what I have right now, if I play this, I have a cannon. I figured out how to make it move towards the cursor, right? Actually, let me stream my screen, sorry. I got a cannon. I figured out how to make it move towards the cursor, like this.
Yep.
And then I have a cannonball, and I figured out that cannonball moves here. So it starts at 0, 0, and it just moves down. So right now, what I'm trying to do is, I have, if we're hitting fire primary, which I set as, you know, left click, left mouse button. Yep. Spawn the cannon. That's the part that's giving me a bit of trouble right now. Somebody said this
Alright.
in chat. One
Did
sec.
somebody say to do like this, or are you gonna send?
Oh, sorry. Someone said to do this preload thing in chat. Augie says it needs to be in the same scene, same 2D node. I kind of want it to like not be in the same scene though. Like I want it to like just have the cannon and then spawn it. You know. I don't know.
Yeah, you can do it like that. That's you can do it like
I
that.
think that's a lot cleaner, right? If it's not in the scene already. Okay, so what would be the code? So how do I spawn a cannon? How do I spawn this node here?
Okay, so one thing I'll tell you just right now is because you're preloading it. Preload is like load this and then do the rest of stuff, so it keeps it loaded in memory.
Okay, that's bad.
So that means like So
That's bad.
it's
Okay, got it.
It does garbage collection automatically, but if you're preloading it, you want to do that once before running the script.
That's in my ready function or start function. Yeah.
Not even like in the just when you're defining all your variables, one of them should be your
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that went over my head. Anyways, let's spawn a cannonball.
Okay, so inside your cannon scripts, because you're in that right now, you can do like at the top, put your preload up there because you want it to be like in the cannon, or you don't. I'm trying to think of how to word my words.
Yeah, alright. I'll give you a bit of time to word your
okay.
words.
So underneath the export var rotation offsets, you'll then have a new variable that's going to be your cannonball.
Definitely, yeah. Sorry, I'm just gonna be too. Okay, so here.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, so should I make it public here?
No, you don't have to do that.
Okay. So cannonball. Var.
Yep.
Like this.
And then do your same preload.
Oh, this is where you preload it.
Yeah, this is because you're preloading. You're loading it once, and
Got
you're preloading it so you can keep accessing it again and again.
Got it. Okay. Teamwork, chat.
Yep.
Power of teamwork.
Yeah, there you go. And
Yeah,
the
that's
thing
what
you'll
Mimi
also want to
said in
do
chat.
is, you know how you have your at export on the one thing? You want this to be at on ready. I don't remember
Yes.
exactly why, but yeah. So you'll put on ready on the
What's the
cannonball
difference
one.
between export and on ready?
Like make the cannonball on ready. The export ones, those are added to like the sidebar. On ready means it doesn't create the variable until everything else is ready.
Okay. I guess
forget
yeah.
the exact reasoning.
By the
yeah,
way, rip
so
the 1 hour. We'll rip the 1 hour challenge. I was like, I was so confident I can do this in an hour, but nope. All right. Well.
So you can keep your rotation thing as a export, but then make the cannonball on ready.
Make the cannonball ready. Okay, so cannonball. Okay, keep this as export and then okay. So we only want this to okay. So this only loads after all the other things load. That's what I'm getting at.
Yeah, so like once the ready function is ran and once everything else is set up, and it loads in the cannonball as that variable.
Yeah.
Then
the
like
duckling.
whenever you wanted to, whenever you want to create a new one, you were kind of there, because
Close.
Yeah, you were kind of
Is it
there.
this cannonball?
Do you want to try to figure it out? Not quite. It's instance, I believe, or yeah, I think it's.
It's
yeah,
instantiate. That's
Yeah.
in Unity. That's in Unity right there. It was just the other way.
And then you probably don't want. Yeah, you probably don't want it to be the same name because you're overwriting the cannonball preload now.
Oh shoot, my bad. Yeah. Cannonball.
Yeah.
How do you rename stuff? Oh, here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I just want to rename this for cannonball. Prefab. All prefabs. Alrighty. So now we have our cannonball. This won't work.
Yeah.
Because I guess where do
Because
you
while
instantiate
we're
it?
well, we can instantiate it in this because it's creating the node, but then it's not making a child of anything, so it doesn't
Yeah.
show up anywhere because it's not actually in the scene.
Got it.
So yeah, so what you want
This is
to
the problem
do
because I
is
think if
there's-
I create a child of this guy, the problem is if I move the cannon, it's gonna move the cannonball with it because I just have
Yes,
this script.
so-
yeah, okay.
yeah. So I'll give you first of all just try adding as a child just to the cannon so that we can make sure it's working. I'll
Okay.
try to let you guess what the add child function is.
Yeah. You know what? I don't have to guess. I have Google. Ha.
Oh,
it's
okay,
just
that
add
works
child. Oh, okay. I thought it was like
Yeah.
cannonball. Okay, I'm smart. Add child.
Nah,
there you go,
it's just
chat.
add.
Don't make fun of me.
And
All
then
right.
the thing you're adding.
We got it, chat. We got it. So add child, and then this thing we're adding, cannonball. There you go, chat. We're learning. Learning is taking place. All right. I feel the knowledge coming into me. Here we go.
Yep, so now it's gonna be not like the child of the right thing, but we can see that it is showing up now.
Dang. Okay. Oh gosh, it's spawning like a billion. When I do that. Okay. All right. Is there an is action?
Yeah, you might want to do. Yeah, there's an action just pressed as well.
just
you can see
press.
it there.
That's what it is. Okay. So
Yeah.
that's just gonna be like pew 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 pew. There we go. And then I need to make this the other way. There you go, chat. Almost working. Pew! Yahoo! But not quite yet. So got a few more optimizations I want to make. Real quick to make this like smaller.
Yeah, maybe slow that down a little.
300. We got a powerful cannon, but wrong scene. Yeah, and then also I noticed that here I have this scale set to 10, but I actually just want it set to 1. Right.
Yeah.
And then here my cannon
Yeah.
scale. Is there a way where I don't change the scale, but I just change the scale of the sprite itself?
Like. Oh wait. Okay, so
No,
the reason the cannonball was so big was because the cannon was scaled up to 10, but then the cannonball
was also
scaled up to 10.
yeah.
And when a sprite is scaled, it also scales the child. So
Yeah.
the cannonball was actually more like 100.
100. Yeah.
When we're not adding the cannonball as a child to the cannon, then it will only be 10 because it's not scaled up by the cannon.
Got it. Make
So
the cannon
yeah,
smaller. We're just gonna do this for now.
you don't have to make the cannon smaller because right now we can change it so that the
Yeah.
cannonball is child of the scene instead of the cannon.
Definitely, yeah. Spotify can't play this. Spotify. Alright, cool. This. So now if I play this, it should. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong scene.
And wrong scene.
Every time. Okay, pretty good. We're almost getting there. So I need to make the spawn out of the tip of the cannon here, and then from there I also need to make sure it doesn't like follow. Because if I shoot that, if I rotate, it also rotates the cannonball. I'm gonna fix
Yeah.
that.
So
first.
to do that, that's pretty easy. We can just
Can we add a parent to this node?
well that's the root node
Yeah.
of the scene. I think
Can we change that?
we should still be able to work with this.
Okay.
Well, to change that, you can just put it inside of another scene and like have that as your main scene.
Yeah. Okay.
But I believe when you run a scene, it does have like a lower root node that everything is contained in. So if we should still be able to work with this right now.
Okay. So let's see. So how do I make this not affected by the sing of the sing? You know?
Yeah. So let's go back into the script.
Alrighty. Yeah. So canon script.
Yeah. And then instead of adding the child to the cannon, what we want to do is okay. So add like just to the start of it. Don't erase the whole thing. Just do in
Add?
front of the add child, like to the left of the whole function.
Yeah.
Let's do get_tree.
Yeah,
And
I think
then
someone
brackets.
suggested in chat. Or yeah, I mean parentheses.
Make sure you put the brackets. Yeah, parentheses.
Okay, so what is this
root.
function?
Okay, so that
It's
gets
so nice, by the way. You can just control.
it gets the tree on the left. Yeah. So that gets the node tree on the left. So when
Oh.
there's a bunch of nodes,
But this
yeah.
is like the hierarchy.
and then you can also
almost.
use it. Yeah, you can also use it to like quit. So to exit would be get tree dot quit, I think, or exit. It's one of the two. I always
So-
forget until I'm actually using it.
Wait, so what did that
But
do
we can
again?
get
tree,
tree.
quit.
I'm just saying that you can use it to do a bunch of like things like that. But
Okay.
get tree dot
Add child.
root, like
Or dot root. Yeah, good point. What if we don't add
because
root?
we want to
What
get
happens?
the well without the bracket. So because the
Yeah.
if we don't add root, then it doesn't know what node we're actually getting.
Oh,
Because
so
root
this
is the root node.
Okay,
So it's just saying go to the root node and add the child cannonball.
got it. Okay. Bro.
I think it might be spawning in the corner or something. Try changing its size back up to 10.
True, yeah. 3D. F6. Yeah, it is.
Yep, I see it. Yeah. And then the nice thing is what you can do now that you, like whenever you instance a node, you
Yeah.
can like modify it, do whatever to it in code. So I could do like,
I can set the position to something here. Okay.
yeah. So change the position, change the rotation, do everything you have to.
Yeah. I think what I'm just gonna do here is I'm just gonna add a node 2D, do like cannon fire points, bring it
Mhm.
up here,
That's actually right.
then go back to my script here. So we can do, so this is what spawns it.
Yeah. And you can treat cannonball, like remember how I was telling you the $sign is used to access another node? Instead, what we can do is just write cannonball, and that's a reference to the node that we've created.
Definitely, yeah, because we already set it here in this variable, right?
Yeah, so we're saying cannonball is this node that we just created.
Okay, chat,
and now we
we're
can
learning.
do cannonball, whatever.
Cannonball dot what? Position?
Yeah,
Yeah, position?
yeah, you could do cannonball dot.
Or,
Like, you can even just do cannonball dot position.
okay. That's weird because it's like not showing up here.
Yeah, it's weird with instant nodes.
Okay. And then we just set this to my cannon fire point. I think I can just drag this in. That's so cool. Okay, you can just drag it in. Man, that's so cool. That's like After Effects almost. Kind of like how it works in After Effects. Let's see.
And make sure you're also getting the
Oh,
position.
shoot, yeah.
Get the position from the cannon fire point. Because right now you're just saying
yeah, good point.
set
Good point.
position to another node.
Yeah. Wonder why that like doesn't autofill. I guess that autofill made it.
It's something to do with the node instancing.
Yeah. Hold up, I think I'm. Let me set this back to 10. Chat, we're almost there. Yeah, it's still spawning in the corner. Let's see here.
Oh wait. Let me think for a
God,
sec.
chat,
Just
spamming
realized.
banana again. Chat. I gotta join in on this banana spam.
Because the position is relative to the cannon. So the position of the node is relative to its parents. So because the node 2D isn't actually moving in its parent, it always sees itself in the same place.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that sounded like a bunch of complicated words and that flew right over my head.
Wait, so
Okay, alright.
if you're moving the cannon, the position of the children of the cannon
Yeah.
changes based on like where it is based on the cannon's position. So if I move
Yeah.
the cannon, then everything inside of it still thinks it's at like whatever position it was in before because it's based on where the cannon is.
Yeah.
So it's
Oh, but it's okay.
Yeah.
So it's getting the. So if this cannon point is at like, let's say 0, 1, but 0,
Yeah.
1 is actually here. That it, kinda. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. So what we can do though is every node has a position, but then it also has a global position.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, like when you start to think about it, you can kind of figure
That
out
makes
what a lot
sense,
of the
yeah.
variables are called, like on your own, because it's
Yeah.
not too difficult.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Almost. Chat, we're
You're
almost
getting
there.
closer.
I need to set the rotation.
Yeah.
So okay. Cool. Cool. I feel like I'm starting to brain. I feel like me starting to brain.
Yep.
Chat.
It is rotating.
It is rotating. That's just not the correct rotation. Okay, wait. Position.y. So if I spawn this, we need to go. Okay. We need to change this. That's what we need to do.
Yeah.
Is there a
Because
forward?
right now it's just moving up.
No.
But
Okay.
it's not a forward.
Yeah. Okay. This. Let's try this. Position plus equal. I know this will give me an error. Is there? Accidentally deafened.
Oh.
Chat, we're almost cooking, but I'm right there, chat. I feel like, is this it? Rotation is. If there's only one way to find out.
Rotation.
Oops, rotation. 6.
Just trying to
Oops.
think because I don't remember. I don't remember what the thing is.
Wait.
It's not origin.
Oh, here. Invalid operand vector 2 and float. Bro. Oh, can you not multiply a vector 2 by a float?
Oh
Or
it
no,
should
no,
be.
wait, plus.
It should be. Is it a 2i? Is
Oh,
it
no,
a
no, no,
vector 2i?
It's a plus.
Oh, position plus equals. Yeah.
Okay, I think rotation times. We add parentheses. I'm trying to make this become a vector 2, because this is a vector 2. If I do a rotation times this, that'll make it a vector 2. And if I do position plus equals that vector 2.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
remember.
that's cool.
Hello.
I can like select my cannon and just edit the cannonball script. I don't have to like switch.
I
back
don't
and
know
forth.
how to do the like global transform dot basis stuff in 2D anymore because it's not the same.
I believe it is just
Oh, what's up,
transform-
lazy?
form.x or .y.
What do you say?
Is it?
So say instead of
Oh wait.
rotation, try transform.x.
Okay.
It's just why I'm an idiot. Okay, cool.
But what is transform.x? Like position x, rotation x?
It's the
X
the
vector.
vector based on I don't know. Read it.
3D medley. Okay. Yeah, so x vector. So that like its forward vector almost.
kind of. I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Depends what you define as forward.
Yeah. But it's a vector
So you
that
can
it's
do
kind of like the vector that
transform.x.
is facing, right?
Yeah. Transform.x, transform.y, transform.z. Try either of them. Try all of them.
All right. I'm gonna place my bets on y. That's gonna be. Let's see. First time.
Make sure
First
you're
try, baby.
position dot something. Wait, actually no, that'll work.
I
Or
think
does it
this'll
work?
work, right?
I don't know.
Well, okay.
I don't know.
YOLO swag. Ah!
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, baby. Let's go, chat. We did it. We got a cannon. We got a working cannon with cannonballs, chat. I need to up my sanity bar for this. There we go. Yes. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay. We got it, chat. Let's go. We got one person in the chat that said noise. Let's go. Participation is off the charts. Let's go. Come on, guys, like say celebratory stuff so I can like put it in the video, please. Like say like I think there's only one person watching the stream. Let's go. It's better than none. There's one active person in the chat. Alrighty. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Pog, nice. Pog Gaming. You did it. Thank you. Alright. First challenge. Done.
Would you like the second one?
I would like the second one. Alright, let's make this as dramatic. So we'll stop screen sharing here. I wish I could like full screen. I don't want to like leak my DMs. But here we go. So let's just get like all up and like as intense as possible. What would be like as intense as possible? Plus, I'm gonna move everything. That's very awkward. All right.
This might be.
Guys, you're famous.
Hold
You're on
on.
a 𝗠𝗨𝗦𝗜𝗢 game stream. It's a miracle.
No way.
That's how you know you've made it in life, when you make it to a 𝗠𝗨𝗦𝗬𝗓.
Absolutely. You ready?
Wait, I'm making my face cam. Okay. I am like very off-centered. Oh, wrong way. All right. What is my second challenge, Lazy? Signals. An enemy with basic AI that dies when hit. Move towards the player, moves back. Ah, okay. You want me to use the cannon here?
If you want.
Okay. Dies when hit. Move towards the player or moves back and forth. Interessante. Interesting. Alright, that is our second sing. I should have played like dramatic music, but whatever. Interesting.
You can do it in post. You can do it in post.
I'll do it in post. Exactly. We're gonna do it in post. Alright. I'm gonna create a sync. This is actually really funny. In school, I figured out real quick. If I share my screen here. I was messing around with Godot in school because I can actually use Godot. I can't use Unity on the school computers, like Godot. And I found out how to do a little sing right over here. So if I go into level, if I play this guy, I already got this part going. It's I'm moving Unity logo back and forth.
I think your screen share is only the main Godot window for us.
That was very
All right,
anticlimactic.
I can see it on this. I can see it on the
shoot.
stream.
Yeah, my bad. Okay. I was gonna get like an awesome reaction. It was gonna be awesome. I was gonna look like a cool kid, and then instead I just shared that. But look at that! Whoa! Whoa! This is like. Someone needs to use that as like the base for like the music.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! Holy moly!
Yes. All right, guys, subscribe to 𝗠𝗨𝗦𝗬𝗓 Games if you like bass boosted audio. Oh my gosh, dude, look at my chat. It's just banana.
Yeah,
It's all banana. I'm gonna actually text
We'll
that.
stop. We'll stop at 1,000.
Ooh, maybe. My sister really likes bananas, so I want to take a picture and send it to her. Take a picture of the banana.
We're going down now.
Yeah, so the nice thing was, this was actually a little bit tricky to figure out, but basically, I want to show kind of like how I did it here. In my enemy thing, TC and enemy script. In my enemy here, every time it's on the wall, I flip the direction, but that actually bugged it out because it would like flip direction, but it was still on the wall, so it would like constantly like flip. So I had to add this timer here, where it's like wall touch time, and then I just subtracted that by delta. And the nice thing is the Unity skills translated really well to that, like very, very well. So that's nice.
I think you could probably make it even more efficient if you learned how to use timers.
Definitely, yeah.
They're awesome.
What are timers anyway?
It's pretty much what you coded, but in a little node.
Ah, that's neat. Okay. that is very, very neat. Alrighty. Let's do the second task. I guess you guys can talk in the background.
I will be leaving again, actually.
Alright.
But I will see you in an hour.
See you in an hour, Lazy
Alright.
Alarm. I'm gonna actually do this task in an hour, chat. Mark my words.
Alright, let's see it.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Alright. So, let's start off by creating a completely separate thing for this. I'm gonna actually... I'm just gonna reuse my enemies thing. It's a bit scuffed. It's a little bit cheating, but whatever. Oh, we're almost at banana 1000. Actually, banana 957. Alright, let's create a new folder here. Enemy signals. It's like, that has to be like a movie or something. Enemy signals. That sounds like a romantic movie. like a romantic, like a movie with romantic conflict in it. Not
Yeah.
gonna lie.
What?
Alright. So the nice thing is, if we... I'm actually just gonna add this in my levels thing here, because I already have this. I might actually just... In my level, I already have our enemy here. Very, very nice. So, I kind of want to do it like Mario, where if I stomp on it, it dies. But for now, I don't know how to do the stomp functionality. I'll go the extra mile since I already have my enemy here. Kind of a little bit cheating. So let's start off, chat. Let's go. This is like the Backrooms 2D stream. Yeah, imagine Juju goes insane. Oh, I should probably do my sanity bar a little bit less, because I've gone off that high. Turn on everything here. Donator. Yeah, that made $3 in chat revenue today. Today is a good day.
Yo,
Today is a very good day.
really broke the bank with this stream.
I broke the bank, exactly. I found an infinite money glitch. Aha. That's exploiting my view. No, so, we're gonna go in here. Enemy. Oh, like, should I mute, or is it okay if I, like, talk here? Axolotl.
I'm fine with you talking.
So, signals. Oh, can I have dogs, please?
Oh yeah.
I kind of need documentation on signals. So, let's go in my enemy. Let's go to that script.
Yeah, there's a little tutorial here. I'm gonna find just the generic signals box as well.
I just need the generic one.
Yeah,
Alright.
here it is.
Thank you. Open scripts. Okay. We have our movement here. I'm just gonna put you in the same thing here. He's gone for procrastinating 0. Okay. Scene setup, don't care. This node is small by default, don't care. Connecting a signal in the editor. So basically, signals from what I've heard are just like events, where you can have a signal and you can subscribe to signals or something like that.
Yeah,
They created
and then their example is they made a button, and then the button has a built-in signal, and the button is pressed, then it activates a certain function in whatever script you connect it to.
Definitely, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go here. So, I want to get a signal. I want to send out a enemy hit signal whenever the player hits the enemy, right? The enemy I've set here. How do I detect that collision? Let's see.
Well, you could do that a few ways.
Collision.
You could use like area.
On collision. Enter. That's what it is in Unity.
Oh, really? Huh.
How to detect collisions. So how do I detect if the enemy collides with the player in the enemy script?
Oh, in the enemy script? Ow, I just hit my knee on my desk.
No worries.
Okay, so wait. Out of curiosity, how did you make the enemy, like, what kind of body is it?
The enemy is a... I gotta open up. Enemy... Enemy
It's
is
a character body.
Character body 2D. Yeah, because that has the move and slide on it.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Trying to think.
How do I detect collisions? Because right now I have it detecting like any collision with the is on wall. But I
Yeah.
want it to detect like if it's hitting a specific game object. In this case, the player.
Okay. Ow! I need to stop shifting my.
Sorry. It's the gamer position. I am back with a banana.
Alright.
Not Unity. Not Unity salt tea. Got 10 concurrent. Let's go. Let's go. We're popping off.
I'm gonna take a look at the character body, like docs. Again, I haven't used Godot 4 a lot, so I'm not sure how much stuff like translates over. Because I found out like yesterday that there's a lot of stuff that doesn't translate exactly.
Okay.
So yeah. Two.
Alrighty.
Get slide collision. There it is. Okay. So you can use a function called get slide collision count and get slide collision to get like each object that's being collided.
Slide collision and collision count. Alrighty, got it.
Yeah. So
if I control-
collision needs a certain number, and collision count gives you how many collisions there are.
Okay, that's kind of like how touches work in Unity with mobile input. Okay.
I get that reference.
Yeah. Yeah, don't worry about it. Get slide collision count. Okay. So we're basically gonna have to loop through all our slide collisions.
Yep.
Do something with that. Okay. So for I and get slide collision. Alright, I'm just trying to remember about having to.
You might want to get the
count,
collision
my
counts.
bad, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we go get, or actually, we need brain work. Okay. We need to check if this is a player. If that. Okay, and how do we? So this again. This is a
Collision. Returns a
kinematic collision
2D.
2D.
Contains all the information about the collision. Body can collect.
So we need to check if this enemy collides with our player. Oh, that's. How would we do? Because right now our enemy doesn't know what the player is because it's a separate node, right? Like a separate scene.
Yeah. Okay, so what I'm thinking, because I'm just checking through this quickly, I'm pretty sure there's better ways to do this. But what you can do is you can get the name of the object you're colliding with, and then if the name is player, then you can do something.
Okay, that makes sense. What if I change the name of the player? Like, how do I reference the player in my enemy?
Well, it's whatever name the node is. So since it's player, capital P, that's what you would check for.
Okay, so I would go
Could do groups, but that might be a later thing to teach.
name. Oh shoot. Wait, if get slide collisions I, so we get this current index. Get name. Wander crash. That name. Get name. Is that a thing?
I think you have to get collider.
Oh,
first,
okay.
'cause-
Get collider dot get name. name.
It might just be dot name. Yeah.
Is it dot? Okay.
Try it.
Okay. Okay, and then is it equals or dot equals?
It's equals.
Okay, yeah, because I remember with strings, like equals like doesn't work sometimes. And then just the name of the player, so just player.
Yep. And then also make sure you got colons at the end of each line.
Yeah. And then for now, let's do pass. So player. Okay. Is there any way? Cause like, what if I change that? It feels a little unclean, just from like
experience. So that
but,
yeah, there's better ways. What you can do. Actually, it shouldn't be too hard to teach. Actually.
Yeah.
If we go to our player scene.
Player scene. Okay. Player. Here.
Yeah. And then we click on our player on the left side so that we have the whole like everything selected.
Yeah.
I can show you a new tab. So at the top of the inspector, there's a node tab.
Ooh.
This is where if you have signals,
guys, we've just unlocked experience points. New level unlocked, chat. Let's go.
Alright, if you have signals, then you can connect them here by double clicking, or if you go to the groups tab, that's what we're gonna mess with.
Okay.
You can add any group that you want, so you could give it any name.
Okay.
Yep.
Is this like a tag?
And yeah, that's exactly what it is. And then you can check in code if is in group this.
Okay, that's how you do it. Because in Unity, this was like a tag system.
Yeah.
Can you assign multiple groups per
object?
Can you assign multiple groups per like object?
Yep, you can have as many as you want.
Unity doesn't have that. You can only do one per
really?
in Unity. Yeah.
Make sure you also save that, or it's not going to show up in the other scene.
Good point. Yeah. Oh shoot. Okay.
Oh, it's mad that you don't have a colon at the end of the first one.
Yeah. So I do dot group.
Dot. I believe it's dot is in group or something.
Oh, is in. I'm just gonna type group. Ray. Okay, that didn't work. Group. Is underscore in. I don't see a is in group here.
Here, let me just check something again, because get collider, give you an object, collider shape.
How you guys liking the stream, by the way?
Shape, get normal. Position,
I know that
render.
it might be a bit of a learning stream, but I think it makes for a good content.
Here, let's just try it. Let's try dot is in group.
Dot is underscore in underscore group.
Yep, and then put the name of the group that you want to check inside.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like that should be auto-completed though.
Yeah, it could also be something weird with the referencing nodes.
Yeah,
and then I would just do like print something just to make sure it works.
Yeah, debug print or print debug.
Well, you can even just do print.
Oh, you can just do print?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna do that then. That's print. I'll have to hit down a few times. Print. Hitting player. Alright. Make sure I'm in
that line
level scene.
That line is still going red.
Expected. I need to colon. Raw.
Yeah.
Every time. Yes.
There it
Good
is.
sign. Called it twice. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got that.
If we're killing the enemy after, or killing the player after anyway, then it doesn't matter if it's called twice because it's already going to be gone by then.
Yeah. That's so cool. All right. So now we do the signals. Let me look in the Godot. Button. Do signals. It's here. Here we go, chat. Unlocking new skill points in signals. Signal. Okay. Signal. Ooh. No, that's probably not right. Okay. Signal.
Okay, so if you want to create a new signal, you don't want that inside of here.
Right?
Yeah, because you want it to be created like right at the start so that you can connect it to everything, right?
Yeah. Probably here.
Yep.
Right. Hit player.
Yeah.
No. What am I doing?
You're halfway there.
Okay, yeah, so we have the signal now. This is like our event. It's like hit player dot invoke hit player.
Well, how would one emit a signal?
How would one emit a signal? You would send it out.
I carefully
Emit.
worded that.
Oh frick. Emit. Okay. Got it. Got it, chat. Don't make fun of me. Alright. We did it. We have it. Alright. Hit player dot emit. Okay. Can you pass in? You could probably pass in. How do you? I'm just curious.
Parameters.
Yeah. How would you do that?
I
wanted to.
I haven't messed
look
with
at
that a
this
whole
chat.
lot. I'm actually not sure.
Signals.
Should
I'm
be
gonna
able to
use
look
these
at
things
the-
so often,
for that.
dude. Signal from item underscore name. Okay, it's here. It's just in here, just like this. So I want to do like int a, then I'll have to emit. It's probably gonna give me an error.
You'd put it in brackets.
No.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Oh, expected closing after signal parameters.
Oh, because you have int a. You just have the name of it.
Oh, it's just a type.
Yeah. Well, no, not. It's just name, not the type.
Or it's just what? What do you say?
Or does it work with just the type?
That's what I'm getting.
Try like if you just give it a name. Yeah, item name amount.
Huh.
Like that in two arguments.
Oh, I guess
an
because
item argument and a
yeah,
mount
because
argument.
it's a you can just pass in any variable there.
Yeah, and then if you wanted to specify a type, you would do name colon type.
Oh, you colon int or string, I guess.
Yeah, capital.
Okay, and
yeah.
then will this give me an error here? I wonder why it's not giving me an error here because it looks like we have to pass in parameters. But and I'm assuming if you don't pass in those parameters, it'll give you an error.
I'm not sure actually. I mean,
We'll
you can try
it
it.
out. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, try it out.
Try it out. We'll see if it gives me.
Because it also might just put null as it might just send null as the
Oh, good
parameters.
point. Yeah, good point. It'd probably just do null. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. That makes sense. We got a hit player dot
Yeah.
emit. Cool. So now we need to receive, or actually, you know what? Technically, I could have just replaced this with like destroy. Just realized
Yeah.
like destroy, but that's I guess I want to try to follow this here.
Mhm.
Move towards the player, moves back. I guess okay. I should probably do this then. I'm gonna go here, put this in my player, set my enemy to a different group, change. And I'll hit enemy. This is probably cleaner code anyway, because we don't want the enemy to be responsible for detecting collisions with every single object it hits.
Mhm.
Hit enemy. Single. Yes, single. Hit enemy. There we go. Hit enemy dot emit. And then we need to go here. And I'm on the grind right now. I feel like this is what game dev is supposed to be. Feels awesome. Wait, so can you add? Oh, I guess. Oh, does it not?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. I was wondering, do you have to like
It's
remember
just
the name?
text by group name.
Okay.
I mean, if you click manage groups, I think it should have.
Nodes in
It might
group.
only show the ones in the current
Oh,
scene.
okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. How you guys doing, chat? It's looking. Press F to pay respects to the Bionicle Man. Alrighty, so we have our signal here at enemy.emit. Now we gotta subscribe to the signal. What would we say?
That's not actually something you have to do in code, but you can do it in code to like automate it if you have a bunch of enemies.
Really, you don't have to do it in code.
Yeah,
I
so
guess-
remember
yeah,
that
that's the same
other
as-
half of the nodes tab.
What do you say?
Like remember the other half of the node tab?
Signals. Oh, that's what that says. Okay. Signals.
And then if you click on the node that has the signal.
Okay.
So like if you click on whichever.
Yeah. The problem is this is a separate object.
Yeah, but
I
if we go into the level.
Level. It has to be in the level.
Yeah.
Okay, so it has to be here.
And see how the player has a signal at the top there? Oh.
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh. Click it.
Yep, double click.
Oh, click.
And then you can choose where to connect it to.
Oh, okay. This is like Unity events, but a lot more structured and detailed. That's good, because Unity does have this, but it's very like low level, kinda, and it's very limiting. Because they didn't think people would use events like this. Like, they didn't think they thought events were gonna be like one-off things, not like used. But I'm using a lot of Unity events, doing like UI stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so connect this.
Yep. You don't have to look at advanced.
Oh, advanced is if you. Whatever. We ignore it.
Yeah, they just have their arguments and things. And then see how it created a new function?
Oh, okay. On player hit enemy.
Yeah.
Cool. Wait, what if I change this? What's the green thing?
That's just saying that it's connected. I don't think you can change the name, but when you're creating it, you can give it a different name.
Can.
Can? Yeah, no, you can't.
Okay. That makes sense. What if I change the name of the signal? Break it?
I think that shouldn't matter. I don't think that'll break it. You can try it.
Me. Oh.
Oh. Also save the script.
Okay, you know what? We're not gonna play with it. We're gonna ignore
That's
that. Okay, so enemy. Replace multiply. So here we're gonna, just to make sure this works right now, we're gonna print L. Unity. Dead. F6. Here we go. Damn. Didn't work. Okay. Oh, that's why.
Oh, because it's checking for, yeah. Good job. You debugged it.
First try!
First
yeah, try. I definitely didn't load the wrong scene. Yeah, we got L unities up in here. Now the final thing I'm gonna do is destroy the guy. No. Yeah, I'm too used to doing this.
This one is like one of the weird functions that doesn't actually line up to what you would expect it to.
Okay.
So it's Q_free. Like QUEUE.
Q_free.
Yeah.
So I wonder why they call it a Q. Use a node for deletion at the end of the current frame. When deleted, all of its child nodes will be deleted as well. All references to the node is filtered in reality. You know?
Yeah, it's just like get it ready to disappear from the scene. And do that at the end of the frame.
So is it like destroying it? Basically? Or
yeah. It's just saying like destroy it at the end of the current frame.
Okay.
Because sometimes if you don't queue the free and you just say free, then it's like some other code somewhere else isn't done executing and it still might reference that, and then that might cause problems until the end of the frame.
That is true, yeah.
So this just is like, make sure you don't get rid of it until the frame is done and everything is finished, and then destroy it from the scene.
Definitely, yeah. Alright, okay. Got it. So this is just like destroy, but it's like a safe destroy, kinda.
Yeah.
Oh my god, stopping my music. Alright. Q_free. Let's try this. YOLO chat! Pog. There we go. There we go. All right, the final thing to add a bit of an extra challenge, because I already had it moving back and forth. I do want to stomp on it, right? I do want to
Yeah,
do this
yeah.
only when I stomp on it. Because right now, if you kind of run into it, it's a little too easy, you know? We want to add some balancing to the game, right, chat?
Yeah.
How old is Juju? I am 4 squared.
2.
Pretty much, yeah.
2 at least.
Syntactic sugar is a common term
plus.
for shorthand code. The implication is easier to read and write. Yeah. It's just like flexing, basically. The coding equivalent to flexing. Okay, so we gotta make. How do I?
Oh, so
actually-
you want to specifically check on top of the enemy.
Or I guess this is on the player script, so if the enemy's below us.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so for all these collisions, is there like a? Nah, I'm
Okay,
no
so-
overcomplicating this.
Yeah. So there's a way that you can do this that still uses signals, but in a different way. On
Okay.
just on the enemy. Okay, so we can add something called an area. Like it's like this shape. You can give it a collision, and then it detects when stuff enters it and exits it, but it doesn't like interact, so
Oh,
you can't
that's
like
smart,
bonk
okay.
into it.
Okay, so should I add that to the enemy here?
Yeah.
Got it.
So you can put one like on top.
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go into my enemy scene. I'm gonna add like probably a collider 2D, right?
Well, also make sure it has an area.
Oh, just area 2D.
Yep.
Okay.
And then
region
that
of
needs
2D
a collider
space
inside
that
of it.
detects other collision object 2Ds entering or exited. Okay, so. Oh, so it's like a trigger almost.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Okay.
think again. I don't know. Maybe
I know.
probably.
It basically
like it is.
when you enter it, it triggers something.
Yeah.
Enter this area.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. So
Then
right now,
this also needs the
it
collision.
needs a thing. Yeah, no
It's just
shit.
saying to add a collision shape.
Oh, so
yeah.
add a child.
Yeah.
So here we're gonna use a collision. Yeah, see, because then you need there's like a circle collider, a box collider, polygon collider.
And then this is just a shape, and then you can set the shape inside of it.
Yeah.
Or you can
shape and
also draw
polygon.
like polygon. You can like draw certain points, and then it'll pick that shape.
Yeah.
But the shape is just a regular shape.
Yeah. We're gonna do something like this. That look good.
Yep.
Did I accidentally move the transform up? I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. There we go. This looks good.
And then the area, the way that it tells you when something has entered and exited is by emitting a signal.
So that would be here.
Of course, you've got the collision shape selected.
Area entered. Ah. Double click. Haha. Okay. So now we
You
need
might
to
want
put that back. Okay.
You
I'm
might
curious. So
want
how would
body
you set
entered,
this
though.
in code? Real quick. So let's say I
Hmm?
spawn an enemy in. How would I set this in code? Right. I guess there's probably a
you
way.
can, yeah, you can use the connect function. So I could do like connect what node I want to connect to, and like,
Got it.
what is it?
Okay.
It's connect the signal, and then the function or something like that. But it works pretty much the same.
Yeah, I think I understand that, and then I can just put that in like the ready function.
Yeah,
Got it. Okay.
yeah, connect signal and then function that you want to connect to.
Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Why can I not view the childs of these child?
Oh, that's because it's a scene. It's an instance of a scene, so you can just go to the original by clicking the little clipboard, or by going into the scene.
Okay. Clipboard. There's a clipboard.
That one, yeah.
Oh, this is a
Or like
clapperboard.
the movie. Not
the
clipboard,
official name is
movie.
called a clapperboard.
Yeah,
a
I
weird
got the
flex.
wrong.
Okay,
Wrong word,
so
wrong word.
why can I see like why this is a player? I can like do that, but I can't do that
Yep.
even though it's oh I guess I gotta save it.
Well, that's because you added the camera to the player in the level
Oh,
scene.
that makes sense. Okay.
Because yeah, you added it as a child after you put it
Okay.
in this scene.
Okay. So should I just do that here? Cause should I do that connect function then? You talked about.
Well, you don't have to connect air to it at all. Actually, now what you can do is connect area to the enemy.
Connect area to the enemy. Okay, so what do you okay, so
I have to go for a second to figure it out.
no worries. Cuz I feel like I would clapperboard. The real duckling, that's how okay. The real duckling, that's literally how you pronounce it. It's literally called a clapperboard. Like the real duckling, watch this, bro. If you search up an image of a clapperboard. Clapperboard. Guess what you get, bro? Look, it's literally called a clapperboard.
Wait, I'm back. You got it?
I'm showing.
I expect you to know everything about signals now. You're just showing a
Clapperboard.
clapperboard.
Yeah, because he was like making fun of me, but it's literally that's the name of a clapperboard. MSFL Productions. All right. Okay, so I can't access the area event.
Yeah, but you can do that in the enemy scene. Because since we're connecting something in the enemy to a different thing in the enemy, we just need to do it in the enemy scene.
Yeah, so if I do area entered.
Although you might want
Oh, wait.
body.
Oh. Connect. Doing this right?
Yeah. But one thing is because you're doing area entered, you're only checking if another area is entering this area. You might want body entered,
Okay.
which is a different signal.
All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that in like here then. Okay. So basically, on our enemy thing, we have area entered, body entered. Okay. So let's double click that. Connect. Oh, I can also change it here.
Yep.
Select message.
Yeah, you can change the name of the function there.
Yeah. But for now, we'll just do. Actually, I'm changing it, bro. Changing it to something that I like here.
You might also want to. Here, I'll just tell you after you've made that.
Body. Okay. On like. On squashed. On squashed body entered. There we go. Okay.
And then see how on the right it still has all the old ones?
Yeah.
You can just right click the old one and press disconnect.
Connected. Disconnected. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So here we just.
We can do the same, like checking if it's in group and everything like that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So if body.
Because it gives you the
So body is. I can just do body dot. Crap! How do we check if this is in group again?
Yeah. Take a look over. Take a gander.
Okay, is in group. Get collider. Okay. I feel like I could have just typed in group and it would have just autofilled. But... No. I guess I gotta remove this.
Yeah. It might not even autofill it because it's it doesn't like to autofill when you're referencing like another node through a variable like this.
It's kind of annoying. Okay. Oh, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got it. So if body is in group, then we just call our player on player hit enemy. Okay, let's try it. So if I do this, it should.
So it's you've still got the old signal
I still
that
got
you
the old
created.
one, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna Die.
That's fair.
Die. Alright, but this is gonna... Okay, wait. Where was my other signal again? It was in here, right? The player.
Is in the player. Yep.
So I go here. Can I just hit delete? No, don't hit delete. No, then I would delete the entire... Okay. So we got
Yeah,
this.
You might not want to delete that one.
Yeah. Godot not know what is the body I can click. How's the stream going, guys? I just realized I haven't like read chat this whole time, but whatevs. Okay. YOLO? YOLO. Yeah, no, not YOLO. Function die. Oh, I forgot the underscore. YOLO. Bounce.
Oh.
Ha ha ha!
And it's dead.
That is so cool, bro. I'm gonna add a upwards force to the player real quick.
Oh, true. That would actually.
That's gonna be pretty easy. It's just this, and then lady's gotta come back in here. Our bounce force equals negative 1,000. And do you know what's crazy? Actually,
What?
you couldn't even do this in Unity. You can't even set like individual components. You would have to do this. You would have to do like vector 2, and then velocity.x, comma bounce force. But here you can just set individual.
That sucks.
Yeah, every time.
That just feels so weird because I'm used to having all these like things that are apparently like luxuries or something for Godot.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck. Definitely. That's weird. Why is it bouncing when I'm like, it's on the side, but it's not destroying? Weird. What if I bounce here? Wee. Huh. That's a little strange because I thought that would kill the enemy.
Oh wait, maybe it's still... Wait, never mind. I
That's
thought of something
weird.
and then I realized it's wrong.
Oh.
There is one thing I've been thinking of this whole time that it isn't relevant at all to the like game, but I really want to see what happens if you go to the player and you put the cannon on the player.
Put the cannon on the player. That could be funny. Yeah, we're gonna do that for later. We're gonna do that later though.
Yeah, fair enough, fair enough.
Luke, break will be... I actually don't know. I don't know if we'll take a break to stream. Alright, why is this... That's weird. Because, okay, it's bouncing, but it's not killing the enemy.
That's because the enemy isn't connected to the hit enemy function anymore, and all you're doing now is saying when the player touches an enemy based on like any side of the enemy or anything like that.
Oh, because this is disconnected.
Yeah, and this is also in the player script. You might want to do, like, in the enemy, you might want to do body.y equals a bounce force instead.
Yeah, that makes
so,
sense.
like, body.bounce force.
Okay, so in here...
Yeah, maybe in the die function.
Yeah, right. Do I have that signal still? In the player. I don't use it anymore with that signal. Okay, player... No, here. Sorry, okay, these are tabs. I need to go here.
Yeah.
Enemy. So on squash body entered. If that's player.
Yeah. So the body is 100% guaranteed to be the player right now once it's inside that if statement.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna add a function underscore say bounce.
Yep.
And inside this bounce function, I'm just gonna set velocity.y equals bounce force. Now I want to call this here.
Yep.
So, but I'm pretty sure I can't do body dot bounce, obviously. So I would have to get.
It's not gonna autofill.
Yeah.
But
I would have to get the.
You were on the right track.
Yeah, I would have to get the player movement component itself. Or just like.
Well, because Body is already a reference to the player.
Oh.
So since it's already,
I don't have to get that
'cause we're
component.
checking.
Kind of thing.
Well, body is already the component. Everything is a node, and you're getting reference to the node.
Yeah.
So you don't have to get another thing after this.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're actually on the right track.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Wait, well, what if this hits a different player object that doesn't have this bounce function?
Well, if it's in the group player, then you should probably give it a bounce function.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will just give you an error.
Okay. Hmm.
And nothing else is in the player group right now, and you can like make as many groups as you need, so nothing should have an
Does
overlapping
Godot
group if you don't
automatically
do that.
detect that then, or? 'Cause I'm just curious. How does it know what bounce is? Because like, what if it doesn't have a bounce function?
Well, if it doesn't have a bounce function, then that's just gonna give you an error and like close the window.
Oh.
So if you, yeah,
So if I do like body dot or something like that, that's something. Okay.
yeah. So now if you jump on the player, you're gonna get a big red like
Big error.
text on the bottom of the screen.
Yeah. So like here, I could probably like check like, or something like, or do something to like check in the future. But for now, it's fine.
Yep.
Like check if it has a, or check if it's like a player. But yeah, that's just bad architecture if I have to do that.
Well, since you're checking it's the player, then you would expect it to have a bounce function anyway.
That's fair. Yeah. Okay. Long scene. Every
I
time.
believe there's a has method check. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that might. It's either has method or has function.
Boy.
I have Godot open over here that I keep open.
Underscore.
Yeah, it's has
bounce.
method, so you can do that.
Dude, that was hilarious, man. I want to play that real quick. I was like, all right, guys, can't wait to bounce on. All right, guys, can't wait to bounce on my enemy. Here we go. I'm definitely using the Windows XP error sound effect in my edit. All right. Now it should work. Yeah. Although looked a little weird. Boing. Pretty good. Good. I'm pretty happy with that. So I call that a, let's make it dramatic, check mark. I need a celebratory sound effect quick. Celebratory sound effect. Celebration sound effect. The first one on Google. Give me a
First
sec.
copyright free.
The first copyright claim. Watch me get copyright claim for this. Yeah, we did it. There we go. We did it, boys. We did it. Alrighty. Alright, we need lazy alarm back in here.
I kinda wanna
has
see if you
method.
can-
Oh, there's the has method. Lazy says. Oh, Lazy
Yeah,
says
yeah,
there's
there
a
is.
has.
I just sent an example because I was messing around. If body.has underscore method and then the name
did
of
not
it in a
autofill?
string. It's just autofill doesn't work when you are
I guess if
referencing
it's-
like
yeah.
another
Okay, that
node
makes sense.
like
So
that.
body.has method bounce underscore bounce like this
In a string though.
in a string. Okay, that makes sense.
Yep.
Cool. All right, lazy, get over here. I forgot it's colon.
I am here. I am here.
Hello.
I'm going to have to announce your third challenge quick because I have a burger on the grill. But
You indeed have a burger on the grill. Okay.
Oh, you forgot to check if that's.
Oh shoot, yeah.
Case.
If sorry. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I was just making sure this works again. Boing. All right, wait. Let me play that. What was that sound effect that goes like boom or whatever? What is that sound effect? You know what I'm talking like? No. Is that like a Jeopardy sound effect or who? No,
I
who
think
wants to
it's,
be a millionaire?
Who wants to be a millionaire?
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Who wants to be a millionaire?
Watch this one actually get you copyright struck.
Yeah.
I used it. I didn't.
Here we go, chat.
get it
Who wants to
right.
be a millionaire sound effect? Why can't I not do this?
Who wants to be a
All right.
Godot user?
You guys gotta wait 10 seconds for. You gotta wait actually like 10 minutes so that this thing loads. Come on. I can't click it. I want to do the autofill thing. I like this thing that Google added where it's like you would just click it and it just pops up like that's not working. Here we go. I believe. Watch it give me an ad. Oh my gosh, give me an ad. I don't want Snapchat. All right. Yeah, we're gonna play this at full volume.
Bro,
are you ready, chat? Here we go. Here is the final challenge.
Snapchat.
Do you want me to post it now?
Yeah.
No, let's wait a couple minutes. Let's just sit and stare in silence.
This is the wrong sound effect, by the way. UI.
UI.
Win/lose state. Defeat all enemies, outlast the timer, reach the goal. Alrighty. Got it. Thank you.
And maybe
Lazy
if you want to, you can have a menu or a restart or whatever you want.
Okay.
All up to you. I gotta go. The timer's going off. The burgers are burning. See you in an hour.
See you, ladies. Thank you so much for the help. Thank you so much for creating these challenges, man.
No problem.
Alrighty.
Off he goes.
Off he goes. So, win or lose state. We're gonna do that in my level. Defeat all enemies, outlast the timer, reach the goal. Cool. Alright, so here's what I'm planning. I'm gonna create multiple enemies here. So, duplicate. Can I like alt drag? Probably not. Alright, actually, let me set the timer. Yeah.
Copy paste.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, set your timer.
Alright, here we go. Speedrun, boys. We should make it a little. Okay, we need like an intense. What's an intense music that won't get me copyright claim? Like more intense, because I'm afraid. Like I think Hollow Knight, but the problem with Hollow Knight is that there are actually like I tried playing Hollow Knight music, and I think there are some songs that get claims.
You could do Deltarune or Undertale music.
Okay, let's do that. I like that. Undertale.
Yeah. I know Toby Fox like actively makes sure that his stuff doesn't copyright like claim anything.
Yeah. Let's go. We need the ba 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 da ba 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 da ba ba.
Oh, true. That is that like Spears? Hold on, Spears.
Bone Travel.
Spears of Justice.
Spears of Justice. Got it. Oh god, there's like 100 songs in here. Hold on. Okay, I found it. Okay, here we go. Chat. Here we go. Reset and. Alright. There we go. I feel like Tommy in it now. Alright. Alright. So, meme review. We're gonna do this where if we defeat all the enemies. What the heck? Oh. Created an enemy.
That guy really small.
Alright, I'm just gonna duplicate it.
Oh, inside of it.
Q. I'm gonna have it where if you defeat all the enemies, there's gonna be like a congratulations screen that plays.
Alright.
Okay. Boing, boing, boing. That's kind of fun.
Yeah.
You now own Unity or whatever. I don't know. What would be a funny congratulations message? Like, what do you think, chat?
I think.
I accidentally answered this from MSFL. What do you think, chat?
You now owe 20 cents less for your game.
That's good. That's really good. Okay. You now owe 20 cents less. You guys, chat, do you like that? Where you defeat all these enemies, like this, chat, and then on the top of the screen it says you now owe 20 cents. You like that, chat? I think chat would like that.
Yeah.
I don't think chat. Like, there's nobody talking in chat right now. Everybody's AFK.
There's nobody.
Okay, there you go. MSFL Productions. There we go. All right, let us do that. And MSFL, I'd say Godot is simpler than Unity. I think it actually is. It uses a simpler coding language in GDScript. Okay, sorry, I had to answer your question. So, I'm gonna assume we're gonna use signals. Actually, first let me add this text here. Oh, we have to create a node. Yes. Okay. Scenes. Create new. This is relaxing.
If I'm doing some testing. over here.
Congratulations message. Change type text. Text edit, rich text label, the text edit. A multi-line
Oh,
text.
if you just want to show text, that's just a label. Text edit is one that a user can click on and change the text.
Oh,
in.
it's like a it's like a label. Actually, it makes sense. And then let me go in my inspector. Text. Okay. Blurry text. How do I make the text not blurry? I guess it has to be blurry.
Yeah, you can change the font and stuff later.
Yeah. Alright. You now own 20 cents less. Less. Let's to Unity. There we go. Ooh, it's a good song. Da 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 ba da da. All of these are good songs. What am I saying? It's showtime. Ba 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 dum bum ba 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 bum ba da 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 ba ba ba. Does it have to be this blurry? This text?
Well, you can change the font. If you just have a font file.
Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna do that later then.
Here, I can send you the most ugly font possible if you want.
want. We're gonna do Grand Standard
be-
Clean.
Study Joker Man font.
Or what? What
Okay,
is
I'll
the
give you-
Joker Man font? I'm curious. You've piqued my curiosity.
Yeah, Google it. Google Joker Man font.
Okay,
It's
guys,
awful.
we're taking a bit of a detour. Oh, this one. Dude, that timed perfectly with the background music as well. Oh.
That's
No, then like, I feel like some restaurants use this. I don't know why. I feel like there's
yeah.
a font
I've
that's
seen that at
before.
restaurants. I've been to restaurants that have used
Yeah,
this
this
font.
is something I could see like, yeah, crazy. You're probably getting a better one. You lost your money to Unity. Nah, let's make it. You now own 20 cents. You own 20 cents less to Unity. Oh, that one Luke just said, I love Lazy Alarm. Dude, I swear, some people are like staying up until 1 a.m.
Doesn't-
Like Sati, like I think I go to bed. The time here is 1 a.m. Like, don't stay up until 1 a.m., man. Like that ain't worth it.
You gotta
bro.
watch the 𝗔𝗓𝗏 stream. You gotta watch the 𝗔𝗓𝗏
I'm
stream.
just saying that is not worth it. Alright, I gotta close my. I'm gonna try to up my bitrate because my bitrate right now is like terrible.
Well,
Is
you
that,
gotta
like-
consume all the 𝗔𝗓𝗏 media. You gotta buy the merch. You gotta play the games. You gotta watch the streams.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm already at 3,000 kilobytes per second or kilobits per second. Alright. Here we go. You now
Alright,
own.
we got 54 minutes.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm confident. I actually. I say I'm confident
yeah,
that.
you I shouldn't be too bad.
All right. So let's start off by going. Okay, so here I'm actually gonna make this a child of the player because I want it to follow the player like a UI element.
Mhm.
Good brain. I'm blind.
Did you save the?
I did not.
Don't think you
Control
saved
S.
it.
There we go.
It is.
Heck yeah! Now we got business. So if I do this, run it.
You might notice that it's lagging behind a little bit because it's a child of the player,
Yeah.
which is like, yeah.
It should be a child of camera 2D.
Well, let's see.
Nah. Because it's still like following it.
Yeah.
I kind of
I'm
just
trying to
want it to follow. Yeah, I don't know if
'Cause
there's a way to make it.
yeah.
Is there a way to make
I
it
know
like?
you can with the control node. I'm actually gonna do some testing over here because I need
Alright.
to make sure I know this correctly.
Yeah, you figure that out. I'm gonna start off by just making it as it was before. Just like here, parent of camera 2D or something like this. Because we can change it. So bonk, bonk, bonk. Whee! I now own 20 cents less to Unity. A little off-centered. Wasn't it called Super Juju Bros? Good point. Yeah, it was called Super Juju Bros. Well, it'll still be called Super Juju Bros. I'm not gonna build it though, because there's like nothing in the game. Alrighty, so let's go. I'll let Lazy Alarm do that testing. I'm gonna try to figure this out by myself. Oh, I should probably create a new... I don't know why I'm wide awake at 4 AM watching a Juju Prod stream. Thank you, the real duckling, but you probably shouldn't do that. That's like when I wake up. No, it's not when I wake up.
Oh right, I just remembered. Canvas layers are a thing. God, I need to use this engine more often. It's been a while since I've used it for a big project.
Oh. There.
Yeah. So you've got canvas layers. And then, yeah, that's always drawn on top. Okay, yeah. Makes sense. So I am going to come back to here. Okay, so if we add a canvas layer, like to the just player? Anywhere in the scene.
Or just anywhere?
No, it can just be a child of the scene.
Okay. Shift A. So, what is the shortcut for this? Or Control A. That's why. Canvas layer. That's cool. So that is actually reminiscent of Unity as well.
Oh, that's a canvas group.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, and then that's always going to be drawn in the same place on the canvas.
Okay, so is the canvas the pink box here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You can scale it up with like the scale stuff, but then it'll still be pretty blurry.
Yeah.
If you press S.
That's what it is. I keep forgetting.
Okay.
No, I think this is perfect here.
Yeah. Taller.
There we go. Let's just
make
do
it
that.
full screen like that.
Let's make it full screen. What do you think, chat?
Then.
Let's keep it, chat. Let's keep it like that. Yeah. What's up, the real duckling? I don't know why. What's up? I remember your old account. All right. No, we're not gonna make it like that. We're gonna make it readable first. Oh my gosh. Okay, how do I like scale proportional? Okay, shift.
Yeah, you can hold. Yeah.
Oops.
I'm Googling top 10 ugliest fonts.
Nah. All right, let's do this.
Let's do like impact.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I should do the font.
Yeah, let's keep going.
I should do the font Mark Rober uses. I'm sorry, like Mark Rober is an amazing YouTuber, but that font that he uses is like, it's so bad that it's actually good because it feels homemade. It feels amateur. That's why it's so good. I feel like the Mark Rober font.
Yeah, true. I can give you a font that I've made as well. Alright, but let's get to the next part.
I cannot focus right now. Okay, so what I'm thinking is every time this enemy dies, right? So this guy. Let me go to. I just feel I tried to open up Visual Studio, bro. I was not paying attention. I went over to my taskbar. I was like, all right, let's open up Visual. Oh, where's Visual Studio? Oh, it's not. I forgot. It's just. All right, let's go.
You don't need that here.
Yeah, I do not. I'm gonna create a signal. So, is this an enemy? Okay, signal. Dead. No. Enemy. Died. Killed. Oh god, what word do I use? This is how you know you're a programmer. It's like, what is the most efficient word for the situation?
What most accurately represents what this
Exactly
thing should convey.
I'm gonna go into like thesaurus.com and it's like, what are synonyms for died?
We're gonna
Killed.
be done the timer by the time we got a signal in.
I know. I can't focus, bro. Okay. Let's do this. We call die. I'm gonna. Well, I should do this first, right? Enemy.
Yeah, because
otherwise this won't call if I do this after because this is destroyed, right?
Well, because you're queuing the free, you're not
Oh, that's true,
deleting
yeah.
it until after the frame. But
Yeah,
you should still call it
yeah.
before. That's just
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, because in Unity, when you call destroy, it's just instantaneous.
Yeah.
But that makes sense. Just queue free. Okay. It makes sense why they do that. I wish it was a little more. That's fine though. But I got you to teach me. So, enemy die.emit. So what I'm thinking is this enemy die.emit can go to like a manager object, right? So I probably should do like enemy manager here.
Yeah.
Is that the kind of infrastructure you use when you create like manager stuff?
Yeah, usually what I'll do is I'll have like what I was thinking is I usually have a node 2D that has all the enemies in it, and then automatically it like keeps count of how many there are and like gives you
Yeah.
like on the UI and stuff like that.
No 2D change. Okay. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna add a script here.
Yep.
Do you keep your scripts on like a separate thing? Or like a separate folder? That's like neat. Or...
It's common practice to keep them in a scripts folder, but sometimes if I get like really lazy, I might just throw them in the main.
Yeah, I feel like all my scripts are like completely off right now.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, so basically in here, it's just standard coding, var, current enemies killed. That's gonna be 0. Nope, semicolon Juju. And then expected. Oh, why are you giving me an error? Okay, just slow. Enemies killed equals 0, and then var num enemies probably.
Yeah.
I could try to get all the number. I think I'm actually gonna do that. So instead of I could like I'm gonna set this to 3 right now and do it at export, but I want to do it where I get all the enemies in my level 2. I think we should actually try to do that. So like in
I was thinking that would probably make sense.
Yeah, func ready.
What? Yeah.
And I'm just gonna for now.
And then what you can also do is connect it.
Enemies.
Yeah.
What the heck? Okay.
Cool.
So we should probably figure out how to num enemies the num enemies.
Yeah. So what I think you should do is make all of the enemies a child of this node just to make it easier to keep track of.
That makes sense. And then I can probably get all the. Okay, that actually is Big Brian. Oops.
Yeah.
Can I not? Am I stupid?
Drag it under the level, like the very top node.
Why can't you drag it here?
Like, well, I was just because you can drag it in between, or if you drag it directly onto a node, then it'll just add it as a child of that node. Yeah, like that.
Okay. I have all this.
Yeah. If we head into our enemy manager and it's script. How would you get the child count?
In this case. Oh wait, that's probably a. Yeah. I was like, every time you do that, it's like, okay, it's probably very self-explanatory, you know?
Yeah, it's self-explanatory.
It's probably very
So
self-explanatory. Yeah.
Yeah.
Num enemies. Now, I wanna. Okay. I spelled it wrong. Okay, so real quick, how do I get. Like, let's say I have, like, another object in here for whatever. Like, let's say I have all my enemies, but then I have, like, another object for, I don't know, something else, right? Inside this enemy manager. Like, how do I make sure I get all the things of type enemy, or kind of, you know what I'm saying?
Well, what you could do is have a for loop and then go through each child and check if it's in an enemy's group.
Okay, I kind of want to do that, actually. I know it's, like, this is, like, simple. And like not elegant, but
yeah, it's just so that you understand and can like get used to it.
Because I feel like that's gonna be my infrastructure in the future. So for I in get child count,
Well,
okay.
you could do there was get children, and that gives you a list of every node that's a child of it.
Oh, okay. So like this?
Yeah, and then I, every time it loops around, I is now that child that's
Oh,
talking
so
to
it's
you.
like
Usually
a-
I would do like,
So I is the children variable, or I is the current children iteration. It's not an integer anymore.
yeah, like you do for I in, and then you give it like some numbers. It just creates a list of those and goes through that, setting I
Oh, that's
to whatever
cool, because
number
yeah, in
is.
C sharp, you would have to do for each, which kind of like separates
Yeah.
it. But I guess here, so I is the variable itself.
Yeah, so you
Like
do
a
for
track.
child in get children, and then check stuff with the child. Like
Okay,
if
cool.
child's in this group, do that. If child is this place, do
Oh,
that.
good point. Yeah,
That kind of
if
stuff.
child died is in group. Okay, cool. I just do enemy. Okay.
Does plus work? No, I don't. Yeah, yeah, it
Dang
doesn't.
it. Yeah, I
I
do have.
think it
Okay,
would,
wait. Do you have
'cause
to do plus equals
It's
1?
Python based. Yeah,
I'm so mad, bro. That's so dumb. Alright.
honestly, that's the one thing that you guys have an advantage in, because I'm used to Python where we don't have plus plus.
Why can't
either.
I do plus plus? Mom said. Guys, I'm switching back to Unity. No, I'm kidding.
Fair reason.
That's a fair. I think any programmer would understand that. Why'd I do that? Okay, invalid. Whatever. Invalid operator. Poopy pants.
I think learning about that stuff is what made me dislike a lot of C# and Java. When I learned that, and it might actually be a feature in GD script, because there's plus equals, but you can also do equals plus, at least in Java.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And depending on how you have things after that, so plus equals whatever, it completely changes how things unfold, and it is such a mess.
Such a pain. Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you.
I could probably imagine.
Make sure Godot knows what your. Make sure it knows what your num enemies is, because right now it's just creating a variable without knowing what kind that is.
Okay. So yeah, I guess I should probably just do like int. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, what's the debugger doing?
3. Because there's 3 enemies. Yeah, that's actually kind of satisfying. I could just run into
Looks
it.
like you got mad about something.
Yes,
get-
it's it's
Oh
put
shoot.
the debugger down there.
Errors. Oh damn.
Okay.
Signal.
let me
Okay, I
zoom
have
in a
I have
little
a signal error.
Oh, you forgot to disconnect all your old signals that you
Okay.
didn't need.
Oh god, how do I find those? Okay, area entered. That's in my enemy.
Maybe check through the scripts or reload if you need, because sometimes Godot might get mad if you like delete some stuff. Oh, on the right there.
I tripping? This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so I had to go into the actual enemy scene itself. Okay.
Oh, you just killed the enemy.
I'm so used to. Okay. No, don't do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Just right click disconnect.
Yeah. There's also the disconnect button in the bottom right if you put that.
Is there
So
actually?
I have something that you don't need now because you have your enemy manager, your group of enemies.
Mm-hmm.
But one thing you can do, which is helpful, is actually give your custom classes a name. And then, so if you had
Okay.
enemy, for example, an enemy had a script, you could do class name enemy. And then it sort of works as a type, just like int and sprite 2Ds and all that.
Okay.
And for checking if something is an enemy, you could say if child is, and then enemy, the name.
Oh,
of the-
actually, I think I already coded that.
Oh, you might have.
Well, I think you're using groups for this.
Yeah, I'm using
Yeah,
groups.
you're using group, which different solution, same result.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
or you just did type. Okay, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. I think I like using groups. I think groups would be more
Groups are
appropriate for
good
this
too.
situation, yeah. Okay, so this should stop. Okay, I have one error. Damn. Parameter delta is never using the function. Okay, nerd.
Oh, you can just put an underscore in front of delta, and then it
forgore.
doesn't get mad anymore. Oh, never mind. Oh, it is used. I guess you were looking at the wrong script.
Oh, that's
Because
why.
every
Damn,
process.
okay, which
has,
script is it, man?
delta.
That script. Okay, I can just click on it and it's play your graphics.
Yeah.
Oh. That is intended. Alright, cool. So now we have this. So, enemy manager. Home stretch, baby. So, this. Then I want to add a signal. So, every time the enemy... Okay. So, every time here, I would go into enemy manager.
You might want to connect the signal like that's in the enemies to the enemy manager.
Connect the signals that's in the enemy to the enemy manager. Okay, so...
Because each
Here.
enemy has a
Yeah.
signal that it's... Well, you can do this automatically as well, so you can change the amount of enemies.
I think,
if you
yeah,
prefer.
I think I'd definitely want to do that.
Yeah.
So...
Okay, so you want to create a function in the enemy manager that will be called whenever your enemy gets killed.
Okay, so... Here. Whenever the enemy gets killed... How do I detect that?
Well, you can just call the function anything, because we'll connect it after, so it can just be called anything you want it to be.
Okay.
Oh, okay, that
No kidding. Okay.
that works. It works.
Okay. Just doing it like this. Enemy killed. Okay. So just like this, right, for now?
Yep. And then in our for child and get children.
Oh,
after we're
I
adding
subscribed
the
to
enemies,
it.
Yeah, we can tell it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So if we create a new one in this part, child dot
Connect. That's right. Okay, connect.
the name of the
Bum,
signal
bum.
that's in the enemies.
Bum, bum, bum. Or in the enemy. Bum,
Yeah. So what's the name of
Enemy
the signal?
died.
Enemy died.
bum, 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 bum,
Then-
bum, bum, bum. What am I listening to right now? I'm listening to Death by Glamour. Let's go. Enemy died. Okay, it doesn't autofill. Just like that. Too few
And then
arguments.
the function.
Oh,
And it
okay.
also has to have the function.
Enemy killed. Yeah, I like how I have two different casings here.
Yeah.
I think you do keep it now.
Do you keep the brackets now? Okay.
I think so. They. Maybe.
Oh,
No, try it.
yeah. I mean,
Try deleting. See if that gets mad or not.
doesn't look like
Seems to
it.
be.
I think let's just do it like this. I guess it's the new patch.
Yeah.
for-
Yeah. Just
for
try it.
Godot. All
Just
right,
test it out. See if it works.
Oh yeah.
probably
no-
should work.
no
I'm gonna
brackets.
print.
I just checked my own code and there's no brackets.
Well, every
Okay. Yeah.
damn.
So yeah, get rid of the brackets on the enemy killed.
Oh, dude, why did it not give me an error? Okay, fine. There we go.
I wonder if it doesn't give you an error. It's for the same
Nice,
reason
so every
JavaScript
time I hit
does,
this-
like it would call it.
Yeah. So now you've connected your signal in code, and now every time you kill any of the enemies, it does that enemy killed function.
Yeah, definitely.
You can do things with that now.
Whoa. Okay. So now I think the thing I'm just gonna do is just. Okay, enemies killed. Yeah, I'm actually still mad that I can't do that. Plus equals 1. And then if enemies killed is greater than or equal to num enemies. So now we got final thing. We gotta. I think the best way to do this here is to. Let's cook. Let me cook. Let me cook. Add a script. Okay. Well, is there like an option here to like not show text?
Oh, if you click the on the left, where there's an eye icon on the far left of the scene tree.
Here. So this is
Yeah.
the ability. Okay.
And in
Yep.
code, you just do .hide and .show.
Not hide,
Yep.
not show. But okay. Yeah, because I remember in Unity, or actually, yeah, in Unity this would be like disabling a game object. But if you disable a game object, you can't actually access like components in it. Then I'm gonna assume
Yeah, you can just hide and show anything.
Okay. Yeah.
You can do whatever.
All right. Cool. So I'm just gonna do in ready, just so hide is just S.
Yep.
Perfect.
There you go.
And then I have a new function here that's like show instructions. Show. Easy. Forgot the parentheses. Almost got used to it. Alrighty. Oh, what's up, Zoo Hair? We're making games right now. We're making Super Juju Bros.
Right now we're making some.
Yo, I'm not even paying
awesome
attention to chat. I'm like super zoned in right now. This is like the least interactive experience I've had with chat so far. Will Luigi be in it?
Godot in.
Maybe in the future. I'm Godot in. I'm no
That's
longer
just what
Unity
happens when
in.
you use Godot.
No longer Unity in. I'm Godot in. Godot. All right. So, enemy manager. Okay, now I gotta call this guy.
Yeah, so you can connect.
Yoink.
Okay, yeah, that works. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so handy because I use that in After Effects a lot, where I just drag stuff into the code or use like the whip
Yep.
tool. That's what it's called.
And then you can even just, you don't even have to have your custom function. You could even just call thing.show.
That's true, but I'll just do that show instructions
That's fair. Yeah.
because like I can add more stuff to it. And then I guess I don't need to yeah, okay. If I spell it wrong, it'll give an error, but
For something this small, what you're doing is fine.
Fine.
Just going up and calling
Yeah.
it.
yeah, what would be
but
like
for
the
larger
better way to do it?
projects, it would be to do more signals. The methodology. This phrase that I heard.
Oh shoot, yeah,
changed
you're
the
right.
way
I
I
should
code
do
it.
that.
Signal up, call down. That's basically the motto.
Yeah.
So what did that mean? I guess.
So if you're a child wants to make the parent do something, they got to signal up. If the parent wants the child to do something, they can directly call it.
Okay.
So if the label was a child of this, then you would just call. You do exactly what you did. You'd call .show.
Okay.
But if it's your parent, then you do, and then you signal up and do that kind of thing.
Okay.
And now in this case, it's more of a
A nitpick.
sibling in a sense.
Yeah.
And it really wouldn't matter, and it wouldn't affect anything.
Yeah, but
just
I
for
think
good,
I
clean
I
modular
like
code,
doing this. Yeah, definitely.
for good clean modular code.
So you
Signal
call
up.
that more like a uncle
Yeah.
or a cousin.
I mean, step.
I guess so.
Step sibling, I guess.
Yeah, signal up, call down, function
then-
down.
All enemies killed. Yeah, because that's one thing that I've realized as I'm like coding Backroom City is like the power of like events and in this case signals.
Yeah.
Is that they're
It
very
helps
very powerful.
Prevent crashes. It keeps it more.
It keeps
stable,
yeah.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
it's something that relies on
But
child
it's still-
objects,
yeah.
that makes sense. But you never
Yeah.
really want a child object to rely on its parent.
Yeah.
Should be able to technically be thrown into a scene, and maybe it'll be kind of a dud, but it shouldn't crash your scene.
Yeah.
Whereas if you call up and there's nothing there, you're gonna crash your game.
Yeah. I wonder what the 7 people listening to this conversation are thinking right now. They're like, why are they talking about?
They're enlightened.
They're
sitting
like,
in
dude,
brain chair.
why did Tyndall B just quote step sibling question mark? It's not that weird.
Like
All
their
right.
brains are actively growing. They're too heavy. Like their brain is too
Exactly.
heavy. They're like, falling back.
Exactly. See, and then I guess here, all enemies killed dot emit, and then that's just gonna call. Okay, I need to stop. I swear, like I use these to freaking. Okay, I'm too used to Visual Studio where you use these to switch between scripts. Okay, so
No, I still do it sometimes.
yeah, so this is gonna call this congratulations message, and to get that, I think we probably just doing it in the scene here is gonna be easiest. So, bing bong. No, am I doing this right? Yeah, I'm doing this right. Okay, it's just our signals here. Yeah, baby. Dang it! What did I just do?
Whoops, you connected it to.
I connected to the player movement. Yeah.
Or the player movement. Whoops.
Oh man, I got it. Disconnect the signal. Who stopped my Undertale music? Stop. Okay. Play. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm just gonna play this song. Bum 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 bum. Okay, so all I need to do here is just add a little sangamabobber. Why can't I select this? Curious.
Did you
I-
say you go to that scene?
I
and
did not
it?
save it. Okay, I need to remember to do that. Here.
Because if you never save it after you add
Connect.
the script, then it's never gonna know that script is added.
Yep. Oh my gosh. I should probably use the same casing. This makes, okay, look at this, dude. Look at this. I use camel casing and then I use whatever this casing is. Underscore casing.
Snake casing.
Snake case.
Snake case.
Yeah.
I should probably use snake case.
Makes
But
sense for a language so similar to Python.
Yeah. And then only insane people use kebab case, which is where you use dashes.
oh my gosh,
Oh
yeah.
Ugh.
I should do
I
like
don't even think that. I don't even think that works in half of the languages out there.
True.
I wonder what other, like, I guess if, dude, that's the guy who only uses GitHub. Alright,
Well, possibly. Did you tell him the difference between the underscores and not underscores in functions at the beginning?
No.
might have seen it, but
So
up next.
basically, there's no private or public functions.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
It is tradition that if it's a private function, you put a underscore in front of it.
Okay.
So if it's something that you don't want anyone else, any other nodes touching, you put an underscore.
You're taking notes in the Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Notes. Remember it.
Oh, I got a face.
I adhere to that rule like half the time,
Yeah.
but
Alright.
but it's the right way. Yeah.
Alrighty.
I think there's a whole page
Chat, let's see if this
on,
works.
When you think about it.
Alrighty. We're gonna
Oh,
play. We're gonna see if this works. This is gonna be the final thing. I think this is good for now, and I can just add art and stuff, but that's pretty much. That's Godot University, presented by LazyLar and possibly Axolotl. We're gonna see if this works. We're gonna do the Zelda loot crate sound effect, or whatever it's called. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. You ready, chat? Wait, I need to make sure. Here we go. We're gonna see if this. Oh gosh, my stream's lagging. This is not the time. Okay. Yeah, I'm at 282 kilobytes. Am I stream lagging? Never mind. Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, I just realized.
Yeah, well, I'm in Discord, so
That's
I
literally-
can't.
that's
I can't
that's
be able to do
peeking.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's
Oh
literally-
wait, true.
That's peeking. Alright, here we go. We're gonna see if this works. I'm playing the Zelda open chest loot sound effect. Here we go. What the heck? It didn't even do
Yeah,
the end of the sound effect. That was so anticlimactic. I know.
Oh, is your does it is the sound component? Oh wait, no.
No, sorry. It's,
Oh,
it's
so
just,
you haven't done
it's,
sound.
it's a
You haven't done
stream.
sound. Oh, you're talking about YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah,
my bad. I
okay.
was doing a. Yeah, I can probably figure out sound.
Okay.
Yeah, baby! I now own 20 cents less to Unity in blurry text. Pog.
Oh, that
You,
actually
boys.
reminds me. There's a SFXR plugin. Good job. You are Godot now.
I am Godot. I am Godot. I am Godot. I have a whiteboard here next to my chat. Here where I have a whiteboard. This is to signal that I am officially. Gotta move my whiteboard here. Ignore that. Officially Godot. Yeah, I can't fill it in, by the way. The marker is gonna. We are officially
I'll see
Godot,
it.
chat. Officially Godot. Let's
Yo.
freaking go.
Nice.
Officially Godot. Ooh, that rhymes.
Looks like
Let's
Call of
freaking
Duty.
go.
I need to
Officially
look
Godot.
away from chat.
Ow. Wait, like a sec. 5 billion things just dropped.
It's approaching.
A little intimidating.
Yeah.
Oops. Yes. Ta-da!
Yo,
me.
nice. You are Godot now. I don't know when you put your earbuds back in, so I'm gonna keep talking until you.
You are Godot. You are Godot.
I'm Godot.
You-
Did you
you
guys
are
keep
Godot.
talking? That might have overridden my desktop audio. Dang it! All right. Well, I might not be able to use that. All right, that's fine. I wasn't you guys' fault. I should have muted my thing there. Okay, chat. I've been streaming for 3 hours, and I don't really see a need to stream for longer. So,
3 hours, you have become Godot.
3 hours, and I've become Godot.
When you wake up in the morning, you're gonna be that robot.
You will be blue.
I will be blue. I will be the robot. Look, it's even infiltrating my freaking floor right here. Infiltrating my floor. Can I make this text less blurry, by the way? Or is that just a font
If
thing?
you use a custom font, if you put
Okay.
a different font in, you can change the
Alright.
scale and everything.
Got it. Yeah, that's
I think
fine.
you can also. There's a different way to scale it up that
That's fine.
does.
Is there a setting? Is it in
that.
project set?
Yeah, I think you can change the font size, which would do that. Because right now it's just scaled
That's
as
true,
a
yeah.
transform.
I want to
Yeah.
try to do that real quick, and then I'm gonna go. Where is it here?
The only other thing I'd recommend you play around with, not anything particular, it's just kind of it's one of my favorite nodes. It's the world environment node. And
Okay. What
that
does
just
that
allows
do?
you to add bloom and post-processing effects.
Oh,
and all kinds of fun stuff.
post-processing. Oh, I need to do that right now. Guys,
Yeah.
guys, boys. Hold up. Did someone say
Oh, they added a
bloom?
label setting thing. Yeah.
Did
Did
someone say
someone-
bloom?
Did someone say bloom? Hold up. Let's cook chat. Wait, can I add this here? I
just
can
found
add this
out
to my
there's-
level.
Now the label settings, you can actually change it without changing the font.
Bloom. Our world environment.
node. There you go.
Oh.
Yep.
I don't need to make this a separate node. Oh. Our wait,
Create a
And
new
create
environment.
New environment.
got it.
You almost got it.
I almost.
You were close. You were there.
You're so close.
Oh.
Are you gonna have to revoke your Godot
Colder.
membership?
More. There
Yeah,
it is.
that's where it is. All right.
And you click in there.
Now
Here.
click it.
Oh, chat. You know what it's time for? You know what it's time for, chat? Oh, wait, never mind. You know what it's time for? Where is
It's
it?
in the glow tab. It's in the glow tab.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Oh. Set glow bloom. Bam. All right, we're turning all this up. Intensity, threshold 0, scale 2, luminance 12, Luminance 256, map strength 1. Here we go! Oh, it did nothing.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay,
Hold on.
wait, tone it down. Big.
Oh wait. I think I
Actively
know. I think
Googling.
I know. Go to background. Go to background. The background tab.
Yeah.
Change mode to canvas.
Canvas.
There we go.
Oh.
There.
There it is.
Bloom. Intensity.
I know what I'm doing here.
Strength. Oh wait.
And you can also change the blend mode to like additive instead. It's also in the bloom settings.
Bloom.
Colder. There. Oh, warm. There it is.
Oh my gosh.
That's 2 right now.
All right,
Yeah,
boys.
there's different like blend modes
You sure?
that look different.
Yeah.
Yeah. What
This
if I
is a
actually?
video game.
This is a video
Never
game.
looked better.
Exactly, chat. What do you guys think of this? Do you guys think this is good?
Sell
Yeah.
it on Steam now.
Exactly. Ooh,
If you
that's
turn down the bloom as
clean.
well.
That's very blue. Oh my god, this is like hypersensitive to my cursor.
Yeah. I think if you hold Control, or is that Blender?
Oh, shoot.
That
There's
might
some
be
button you
Blender.
can press to make it more.
No, control snaps it from 1 to
Fine-tuned.
0. Or
I think it's if you hold Shift, hold down Shift.
yeah. Hold down shift. Why do they do that? I feel like that should be by default. Whatever. Oh, I guess no. It is by default. You have to grab this thing though.
Yeah, if you grab the little nub, then it's just sliding it around normally.
Threshold. Yeah.
And I think if you go to, there's another tab. There's a couple.
Whatever. We're turning this.
Oh, yeah, adjustments can do a lot of color stuff.
Oh man.
I feel like a lot of settings in here are going to have more of a 3D effect than a 2D effect, but
Yeah, like the ambient
Bloom is
occlusion and
necessary
stuff.
for all games. There we go.
2D screen space ambient occlusion.
Perfect. Ooh, look at the orange is glowing. I'm glowing, guys.
Sorry, I
I'm
didn't
glowing.
see the whole-
It's like me in
You're
real
glowing.
life, guys. Look, Juju in Premiere Pro right now. Add a glow effect to me. Did you do it? Yep. There we go. Now you did it. Now it looks accurate. There we go. Good job, Juju. How'd you do it, by the way? I'm curious.
Are you being
Yo.
passive aggressive to future editor Juju?
Yeah. I'm not even gonna see this clip probably.
Just skip right over it.
Yeah. That was pretty good. Actually, I found a feature on my game. You don't even have to jump. You can just wiggle. Boop. 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 It's
Hey,
a feature, not
that's
a bug.
a feature.
It's a feature, not a bug.
Godot doesn't do bugs. It only does
Alright,
features.
chat. I feel like that's it. Like, I feel like I mean I could play around with these settings. What other post-processing settings should I use? I'm gonna stop this timer here. What other post-processing? What is SDFGI?
That is sign,
that's-
distance, field, global illumination.
Nerd. Alright. Fog.
I just recognize GI as global illumination.
Ah,
so
true,
that's
yeah.
what really.
I didn't connect those.
And then
dots.
AO, I just see ambient occlusion. So that as long as you know that that's what those are, then
Yeah.
that's the most important thing.
Yeah, we're just gonna add a subtle bloom. I want to be proud of this work. Like, just like this, and then.
And yeah, I figured out how to scale the text.
Oh yeah, how do you do that real quick?
Okay, so second parameter, label settings on the inspector.
Yeah.
Click it and new label settings.
Yeah.
Click that. Click the label settings that you made,
Real quick.
not the reset
Yeah.
thing. And if you
Okay.
go to font, you can change the size.
Oh, okay. So if I make it like 1, it's gonna be the blurriest.
Now it's too small.
Okay.
And
so,
you can also add an outline, shadow, and
Okay, so
you
I want to
scale
make
it
this
back
like
down to regular
256 or
size.
whatever. So like.
And yeah.
Yeah, so I'll make it like 256. And then in here, or the actual transform itself. Raw.
the S hotkey.
Yeah. Oh, but then I have to, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so uncontrollable.
If you don't have to grab it in the two like grabby points. You can just click anywhere and drag.
Oh, that's okay. I didn't know that.
Yep.
There we go.
And you can add an outline, a shadow,
Got
whatever.
a crisp. I probably should apply that to there. Whatever. Actually, I'm doing that real quick. Yeah. And scuffed. Whatever. I know for the future. I know how to do it. All right, gang. Bing. Bam. Bam. I now own 20 cents less to Unity. I am lagging. Stream's lagging.
If you ever, if you decide to do more, add more, that kind of thing, I think some fun ideas, you know, in the future, I think some fun ideas would be things like the audio player, different animation nodes, and one that I know you'll be excited for, the particle system.
The Godot particle system. Okay, it doesn't roll off the tongue well, but well, actually, it does roll off the tongue well. It's better than Unity's particle system, but not as iconic. But still, Godot particle system.
I actually like particles a lot. It's pretty good.
I
to
prefer
use.
the particle
vouch
system
for
in
it.
Godot. No, I mean, I know that hands in the air, that's a little hot take, but
I tried Unity a while ago and I found the particle system kind of confusing in there, but I'm also used to the Godot, so I don't know.
Yeah, particle system in Unity is confusing, but it is like very powerful. I think
it is, yeah.
Mhm.
Oh my god, lag. Hold up. All right, I'm gonna end the stream before. Man, that's awesome. But yeah, I could probably figure out like the rest, like sounds and stuff, and
Yep.
like animations.
Heck yeah.
Let's Google it up. All right, I should. What's the best way to end stream here? How you guys doing? Alrighty, I'm gonna end stream here real quick. Before I end stream, let me play my outro song, which is of course Beton by C418. Ooh, wow, this was one heck of a journey, huh? But I feel like I'm not comfortable. Well, actually, yeah, I'm comfortable with Godot, to be honest. I'm like, actually, oh, that's my face. I'm actually like decently comfortable with Godot at this point. Like, I feel like I understand a lot of it, and I feel like it's just going pretty good right now. What are your guys' thoughts on this little learning session for Juju Prod Games?
I think
I
you've
think
done
you've
very
done
well.
pretty well. Yeah.
All right, said it at the exact
Said the same thing.
great minds think
I think,
alike, as they say.
Nah. I think your experience from Unity has helped transition into this, and really, you know, you've made a lot of the connections and adapted quite well. And there's still always the sky's the limit. There's a lot that you can learn, a lot that you can do, but I think what you
Definitely.
have done so far is pretty good.
100%.
You've done more in 3 hours than I was doing when I started, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for the help. Thank you guys so much for watching the stream. Ladies and gentlemen, I am now a certified Godot man. Godot human, whatever you call it.
I love that so much. I see it like every couple weeks.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and my stream's like.